Very good morning to all our CA Foundation students. A warm welcome to all of you from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and Board of Studies Academics of ICAI. Board of Studies Academics of ICAI is serving all the students from CA Foundation level to CA Final level. We are here to help you out with and providing guidance across all the subjects of CA course, helping you out to study well, prepare well, and perform well in your examination. Today we are starting live virtual classes of CA Foundation course for May 2026 examination. As you all must be knowing that the date sheet of May 2026 examination has already been released and your first exam is on 14th of May. So you already have an ample time to prepare and study well for your examination. We are here to help you out to serve you all the subjects, the syllabus of all the subjects, helping you out to how to prepare for each and every questions and each and every concept of yours mentioned there in your syllabus and study material. So students, I would request you to take the maximum advantage of all these classes. These classes are for all the levels and for all the subjects, that is for all 4 subjects of CA Foundation course. So I would request you to reap the maximum benefit of all the classes. Be attentive to come here in the classes, listen to our faculties. We are having the best of the faculties here to help you out, to guide you how to write in the examination, to make you understand all the concepts mentioned in the examination, and to help you out to practice. Also, all these faculties will also guide you how to write in the examination. So we have our experienced and very esteemed faculties with us. So these live virtual classes schedule timings are for Monday, Wednesday, Friday for paper 1 accounting at 11 to 1 a.m. Or 1 p.m. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And the second session would be for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It will be for business law from 2 to 4 p.m. Then on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, we'll be having economics as well as business mathematics. So students, start studying, prepare yourself well. This is a CA course, CA foundation examination. This forms the basis of all your examination. See, the word itself say chartered accountants. The word in itself has accountancy. So accountancy is a subject which is at all the level of your examination, right? Let it be foundation, intermediate or final. So in the foundation level, we are here the syllabus covers the basic concepts as well as the preparation of financial statement. At this stage, we understand what is accounting, what are the basic concepts, what are the rules of accounting, and how to perform, how to record the entries and everything at this stage. See, students, this accounting paper is not only important to clear your examination, it forms as a basis of your chartered accountancy course. After becoming chartered accountant, you'll not be able to ask how to post it in the ledger, how to post an entry, what is debit and credit, what are the rules. These all basic things are taught here. So I would request you to please kindly be attentive, take care, keep practicing again and again all the questions. Usually we expect every student to have a 3 round of revision, 1 preparation plus 2 rounds for revision before the examination. For this, you would be needing time and dedication. And a subject like accountancy, which is already a very scoring subject and a very good subject for the commerce background, you all must be knowing about this subject. So you can secure a very good marks and take the advantage of your marks in the other papers also. Alright, since you already know, in order to clear your examination, these examination for 400 marks, you have to at least get 200 marks. That is 50%, 40% for for passing in the exam, but in aggregate you have to get 50% in the exam. So I would request everyone to kindly be attentive, practice well. The schedule is already available on ICAI website under BOS Knowledge Portal tab, and from the Knowledge Portal tab you can log in with your registration number and then see to the classes. And now coming to our faculty, we have our faculty CA Sanket Shah. He's an experienced as has been taking these live virtual classes since last 4 to 5 years. A warm welcome to you, sir, CA Sanket ji. I
Thank
know
you.
he's already aware of what are the students' queries, where the students lag, and what points to be taken care of. So I would request you to all to please be attentive. Careful listening is very important at this stage, and he will always give you time to ask your queries, to solve your queries. So at first give him time to explain you the concepts, and during the initial phases we'll be covering all the basic concepts. Our focus is to make you understand why this accounting and what are the basic rules of accounting. So we are focusing more on this. Plus we have made a one addition that will be after every chapter, completion of every chapter, we'll be having one class covering the previous attempt questions as well as the important means the significant practical question of that respective chapter. So kindly be attentive. In that class we'll be showing you how what the question has come and how it should have been performed. Alright, so there are ample questions in your study material to practice. Our study materials covers 11 chapters, and all the chapters will be covered in these all live virtual classes. Please be attentive, be careful. Oh, I think I was not okay. Please be attentive, please be careful, and listen to what sir is saying. Very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So over
Yes.
to you. They're not taking much time. Okay. See, my camera was off, but yes, I think I was clearly audible, and
Yes.
all the things which I have already told you, I think must be crystal clear to you. So all the very best. Please keep preparing. Keep practice. 2 hours a day practice of accountancy is a must from today itself. So you have to devote, come from during the classes, come prepared for the next class. Whenever you're coming to the next class, kindly revise each and everything what has been taught during the previous session, because otherwise you'll not be able to take the maximum advantage of it. These classes are specially being curated to help you out to practice more, to you be very regular, disciplined, and to focus on your examination. The main objective of board of studies is to make your concepts clear and to help you out to prepare and perform well in your examination. So over to you, sir. Thank you very much for coming out here. Thank
Thank you, Priya, ma'am. Hello, students. First, I will introduce myself. My name is CA Sanket Shah. I am teaching students since last 15 years. And I am passionate about the teaching students, and my approach is always to make this concept very simple. And you don't have to memorize the concepts, rather than always you have to remember it by the logic. I thanks to Board of Studies for giving me this wonderful opportunity to interact with students, and I'm a part of Future Chartered Accountants. So, students, welcome to the CA Foundation course. Today's CA is not at all difficult, and you don't have to see that key how many students failed in this exam. Today, we are going to start with the concepts, and in college, most of the students they already know basic accounting, but I will start from scratch. Okay, my job is to start from zero and make sure that you understand it logically, why things work, not just how to write the in exam, but why we are doing it. That is very important. One thing I want to make it clear on very first day, this course is not about the requirement of brilliance, but it needs a consistency. If you show it regularly, listen honestly, and ask your doubts without any fear, and you participate in the class, this CA course will be very easy, very manageable. You don't need to compare yourself with another one. Here, see, comparison, I'm not going to do it. Every student has different skill. So just trust, as Dhoni said, just trust the process, trust yourself, and we will take this journey step by step together. Okay. So first, I'm going to start with what we are going to do. Let's understand with the subject first. this paper focuses on conceptual understanding of your basic rules of accounts, fundamental accounting. Okay, we are not expecting advanced knowledge. We are not expecting accounting standards. How you are passing journal entry, ledger, trial balance, as ma'am correctly said, how we are going to pass these entries and prepare balance sheet and profit and loss account is our target. Object is to develop an understanding of the principles and practicality of the accounting. So what you studied in 11th, 12th, I won't say that was wrong. But remember, we have to understand it in the practical point of view, how we are going to pass these entries. Friends, learn how to apply the same in the preparation of financial statement of non-corporate. Company accounts you have, but you don't have preparation of financial statement of companies. But non-corporate entities, we are having profit and loss account and balance sheet. We are going to learn this in this batch. Syllabus, chapter 1 to 5 are normally theoretical framework, accounting process, inventory, depreciation, and BRS. Chapter 6 is bill of exchange, promissory notes. 7 is financial statement of sole proprietor and non-profit organization. So we are going to understand it very clear. So if you are doing it for the first time, do not get panic. This is just the introduction of the syllabus, and I'm just telling you all topics name. Okay. Accounting from incomplete records. Then you have partnership, and last one is the company accounts. What is the conclusion? You have to maintain one concept book. Concept book, I won't say it is 100 pages, it might be 200 pages. So in that book, you are going to write every concept. Do not solve any illustration. Okay, so that concept book, I want it from first day you maintain it. For next 3-4 months, we are going to conduct the sessions, and after that, we are having revision batches also of revision sessions. So attend everything. Practice question using tick-ticky technique. What is tick-ticky technique? Every question which is solved in the class, you have to solve it at home by using stopwatch. Okay. So for then you can complete your paper very easily. Students are finding topics are very simple, but they do not practice it, and they find it's very difficult in exam. So you have to practice every question. What are the A category questions, that is important questions, by using stopwatch technique. Simple questions you might skip. CA is a difficult course. So if you're not consistent and dedicated, then you are just wasting your time. So consistency and dedication, I want from day one. Yes, black pen, you have to use black pen in exam. Red pen is not allowed, but red pen is to make it highlight. You have to use it like highlighter. So important points we are going to write it by red pen. Pencil for drawing lines, eraser, and calculator. So these are your weapons for CA Foundation accounting paper. Okay. There is no shortcut for your success and no excuses for failures. Remember, a teacher can show you the path. It's very important. I'm your mentor. I'm not going to solve your paper. So, but you have to walk it in yourself. Okay. So after a quick introduction, we are going to start with some basics. Okay. Let's start without wasting time, because we have only 8 sessions for first and second chapter. Okay, so we have to finish it. You have 4 days. I think from Friday, you don't have any session. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Why? Reason is that there is WOFA, World Forum of Chartered Accountants. So we have that seminar. So we are not having sessions on Friday to Sunday. But students, I request you all to complete your basics in this 3 days. So it will be very easy for you for attending from Monday. Okay. And I want 100% attendance from day one. Sessions will be in English. You can ask me queries in Hindi. And meanwhile, I will take revision in Hindi. If you are finding it's difficult to understand English, I will take it revisions in Hindi, but lectures will be strictly in English. So let's start with some basics. Okay. Yes, to make you comfortable, anyone wants any, does you have any question? Yes, Heth. If you have any question, you can raise your hand. So you can participate in the class. If you have any myth about CA course, yes, tell me fast. some difficulties you heard कि सर मुझे ये करना है वो करना है, कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हो, हिंदी में पूछना चाहते हो, yes, doesn't matter. Any difficulty? So all are aware about this course. Yes, beta Heth.
सर आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, you are audible, beta.
सर मैंने लास्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया था, तो मुझे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी कंपनीज अकाउंट में आ रही है, तो सर उसके लिए कुछ
कंपनी अकाउंट्स जो भी बीओएस के सेशंस होते हैं वो यू कैन अटेंड दैट, तो आपको इजीली समझ में आएगा. ओके.
ओके सर.
तो जो भी होंगे और कुछ भी डिफिकल्टी होगी तो यू कैन आस्क मी, और यू
ओके
कैन टेल
सर.
अस. तो आपको मेरा
ओके
एक्सप्लेनेशन
सर.
चाहिए तो आई विल गिव इट, डोंट वरी.
ओके सर.
ओके. यस दीक्षा.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
सर आपने बोला कि रेड पेन यूज कर सकते हैं, तो
नहीं 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 नहीं, इन नोटबुक यू कैन यूज रेड पेन, एग्जाम यू कैन नॉट
ओके.
यूज रेड पेन. ओके.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ, वो तो आपके सिर्फ लास्ट डे रिविजन के लिए रेड पेन यूज कीजिए, रिविजन पर्पज के लिए. ठीक है. चैतन्य.
सर जैसे मैम ने बताया कि पीवाईक्यू और एमटीपी के क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व होंगे, तो वो हर चैप्टर के बाद सॉल्व होंगे क्या?
मैक्सिमम टाइम हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इफ टाइम परमिट्स. तो आप लोगों ने जितना अंडरस्टैंडिंग फास्ट रखोगे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट.
सर
ओके.
मेरी 100 पेजेस की बुक है मेंटेन की हुई, तो
हाँ,
मेरा अभी मेका
वापस से करने की जरूरत नहीं, अभी आप एज अ रिवीजन लेक्चर देख सकते हो इसको.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
यस, थैंक यू. मोहित कुमार. यस. सो नाउ एवरीवन इज कंफर्टेबल. यस मोहित जी.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा.
Sir, I am following you since September batch. So, sir,
Okay.
I having one doubt that I having the book of March 2024, 25 onwards,
नो प्रॉब्लम.
and I'm
आप
sir
सेम
giving
बुक.
this attempt of May 2026. So, sir, I am want to ask that you that did not there any major problem?
नो नो नो, सेम मटेरियल यू हैव टू यूज.
Okay, sir. Okay. And sir, which pen we have to use? Black
ब्लैक पेन
only
मैंडेटरी इन एग्जाम.
in both the types of paper in MCQs and
Yes,
descriptive.
yes. नहीं, in MCQ I don't know. Please, sorry for that. You can ask your maths faculty and eco faculty.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, Gagan.
Namaste, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Namaste.
Sir, actually, in my Jan attempt, I didn't prepare law well. So I wrote irrelevant answers. How will be treated this is
For
academically,
which
sir?
paper?
Business laws, sir.
Business law. Law, yes, your faculty will give you tips. And meanwhile, when suppose after 2-3 days, I will also give some tips. Okay. So today I'm not going to discuss about law. Today we'll start with this, but I will make you very comfortable after 2-3 days and I will share you some suggestions. Okay.
No, sir. I wrote irrelevant answers. How will be treated academically, sir?
How will be?
How will be that writing and irrelevant answers in exam treated academically, sir?
Today you will have a session at 2 o'clock, so you can directly interact with the BOS faculty. She will guide you. Okay. So today's
Okay,
session,
thank
I think she will take. So you can ask her, and suppose if you have any problem, then you can ask me after 2-3 days. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Last question, Prahlad Patel ji.
Sir, in how many days the syllabus will going to complete it?
We will try to complete it in 3 months, and if suppose we need an extra session, we'll take that. Okay. Chalo.
Okay,
So now we'll
thank you, sir.
start with this. So Narayani, I will take your query afterwards. Okay. Now all of you are very comfortable. Now we can start with this actual topic. So today I want 100% attention. See, all thoughts you have to remove. Only and only accounting and Sanket sir is with you. Other thoughts, other applications in Insta, Snapchat, YouTube, all you have to remove. Okay. अभी आपका जो focus होगा on your mobile or your whatever the equipment with you, and your focus is on writing this all things, important points. Please write important points on rough pages, and at the end I will share screenshot what to write in the concept book and what to write in the illustration book. Okay. So I will share that screenshot at the end. But now please have some rough pages, and on rough pages you will note down all important points. Okay, chalo, whatever things you means it's important, you can note down it. So why we are doing this accounting? Let's start. Okay, Jai Mata Di. So शुरू करते हैं, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, and let's start with this accounting. Accounting means what? You have to track your records, money. See, normal man, if you are using GPay, so you know what are the expenditure you made from GPay's explanation. If you don't write explanation, you won't understand. So that explanation is what? That GPay explanation is nothing but it is your narration. Okay. And see, in accounting, every person who is doing business, he wants some accounting. A doctor for his finance, and we are doctors of finance. Okay. So what we are doing? We are recording all transactions. All after recording transaction, our aim is to prepare balance sheet and profit and loss account. So accounting simply means keeping track of money. Why we are doing it? Because we have to understand that we are not losing any money and how much we saved it. Okay, you should not be in losses for n number of years. First 3 years we can understand. If you started with a new business, so you can be in the loss. But after certain years, if you are having the consistent losses, so it's better to shut down your business. Okay, abhi example Ola or many telecom industries, they were in the losses. So they shut down their business. Okay, reason is very simple, because when they will understand they are in losses, if they are maintaining books of accounts. So friends, what are the financial statements? Financial statement means one is a profit and loss account. Profit and loss account to know the performance of the business, and second one is the balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet is the financial position statement. So balance sheet is nothing but assets and liabilities. You have to maintain it, and therefore we are recording assets and liabilities. This is a position of the business. Friends, in profit and loss account and balance sheet, how many items we are having? So this consists of 5 elements. First one is the asset. What do you mean by asset? Asset and expenditure, two different things. For example, if I'm buying one laptop, so laptop is my expenditure, I paid for it. So laptop is my expenditure or laptop is my asset? So laptop is my asset because it will give me future economic benefit. So where to record this asset? Then asset means it is giving you future economic benefit. Liability. Now liability means obligation. For example, I have taken a loan from someone, or I have to pay my salary, my employee, that salary. So that is my liability. Liability means what? Obligation. जो भी मैं पैसा देना चाहता हूँ उसको बोलते हैं liability. One is capital. What is capital? Capital means own contribution. Own contribution, we are calling it as a capital. See, these are very simple things. You already know all these things in 11-12 standard. This is only brushing up of your concept. तो ये इतना ही मैं कर रहा हूँ कि ऐसे एकदम बोर मत हो जाना. Already you know this concept, but we are taking it as because there are many students who are from science background, so they are not aware about these things. So it will be very easy for you if you summarize it. Now expenses. Now what is expenses? Expenses means you are incurring in day-to-day life. For example, salary, monthly expenses, rent, advertisement. So these are your expenses. And what is income? Income for me, that I'm getting the professional fees from the client. That is my income. For hotel industry, day-to-day sale. Okay, so whatever they sell these items. So that will be the income for every person. Income means inflow of the money. Okay, that two types of income. One is main income and one is the other income. Other income, if I did the FD with some banks, so that FD interest is my income. If I am having the property, so rent is my it is my subsidiary income, secondary income, and main income is my professional fees. Okay, for some people it might be interest is the primary income. Okay, so it depends on person to person. And asset, where we are writing, normally we are writing on the right hand side of the balance sheet. Though we are writing on the right hand side of the balance sheet, it is having debit balance. Okay, balances I will tell you later on. Liability, we are writing on the left hand side of the balance sheet. Capital, we are writing on the left hand side of the balance sheet. Expenses, we are writing on the left hand side, and income we are writing on the right hand side of the P&L. So this is your presentation, okay? Profit and loss account and balance sheet. I hope you already know about these concepts in 11-12 standard. This is just a revision of your all concepts. If your income is greater than expenses, you are in profit. And if your expenses are greater than income, it will be a loss, okay? And both will be transferred to capital. And remember, expenses and income are transferred to P&L. Transferred. Why it is called as transferred? Because next year you are not going to open these accounts. Okay, P&L items, we are going to close it in that year only. But assets and liabilities and capital, we will carry it to the balance sheet in the next year also. Okay. So assets, liabilities, and capital are carried to balance sheet, and income and expenses are transferred to P&L. Okay, these words are very important. Income and expenses are transferred to P&L, and this assets and liabilities and capital are carried to balance sheet. So one more time, yes, Antara, those who want to participate in the class can raise your hand. Yes. Antara, repeat.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I gave my January attempt, so and I think that won't be able to clear it. So
No, beta. Now just focus on
this
this lecture. अभी मैंने जो बताया वो बताइए. Okay. Expense and income are?
Expenses and income are transferred to P&L and assets and liabilities are carried to balance sheet.
Very good, beta. Okay. ठीक है. Don't worry about your January exam. You can attend this batch. Next. Please participate in the class. It will help to boost your confidence. Okay. Chalo, so already, yes, you can write it in on the rough pages. Assets and liabilities are carried to balance sheet and income and expenses are transferred to P&L. Okay, written. Everyone open. Please note down, though you are 100% confidence, please do not have overconfidence. पाण्याची बॉटल देना तेवढं ती बघ तिकडच आहे हळू ओपन आहे नाही 12:15 चहा घेऊन या फक्त ओवर बेटा now very important, I'm not going to tell you this asset and income expenditure. So now you just have to bifurcate this. Let's play this game. You have to tell me, yes, how many of you are very new? They never attended my class. Raise your hand. They never attended a single session. You are coming for the first time. Raise your hand. How many of you are new? जो पहली बार अटेंड कर रहे हैं पहली बार लाइफ में तमन्ना
Yes, sir.
You are attending it for the first time?
Yes, sir.
You never attended my session? कभी देखा भी नहीं मुझे?
No, sir. No, sir.
और फिर कैसे ज्वाइन किया आपने आज एकदम मैसेज आया?
सर मैंने यस सर रजिस्ट्रेशन भी अभी कराया था मैंने
रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया था तब आपको समझ में आया ऐसा कुछ होता है
Yes.
करके? कहाँ से हो?
सर हरियाणा
हरियाणा से हो. ओके, कुछ देखते हैं अभी आप कितना बोल पाते हो. फर्नीचर क्या है? एसेट, लायबिलिटी, कैपिटल, इनकम और एक्सपेंस?
सर एसेट्स
वेरी गुड बेटा. फर्नीचर इज एसेट. वन बाय वन बताना है. नेक्स्ट, सेल्स. जो भी गलत होगा यू कैन नोट डाउन इट. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर गेटिंग रॉन्ग आंसर नोट डाउन इट इन योर रफ पेज.
ओके सर.
हाँ, ऑल ऑफ यू अदर स्टूडेंट्स. यस, सेल्स.
सर इनकम.
वेरी गुड बेटा. नेक्स्ट, लोन.
लायबिलिटी.
Very good. Debtors. Debtors means amount which is receivable from someone. Amount which is receivable from someone.
एसेट्स.
Very good. Asset है, पैसा मिलने वाला है. Credit, capital. Capital तो capital ही है. Okay.
कैपिटल.
हाँ,
Yes.
cash.
Cash. Assets.
Very good. Next, salary.
Salary. Expenses.
Very good. Bank overdraft. Overdraft means loan taken. Small loan,
Liability.
short loan, short-term loan. Okay, liability, short-term loan. Income received in advance.
Liability.
Very good. What is income received in advance? Can you tell me?
Sir, income which we have received, but we have not worked for it.
Okay. So, can you give me example?
सर जैसे हमने 13 months की इनकम मिली है but we have worked for 12 months so 1 month income is income received in advance.
Okay. So, can I tell you ki suppose you have taken a Geo subscription. Okay.
Yes sir.
In the books of Geo company,
Yes sir.
you have taken a subscription for 3 years. Okay.
Yes
So,
sir.
you paid them 3 years ka subscription amount.
Yes sir.
Correct. But for out of 3 years, what is their income? Only for
Income is of current year.
1 year.
1
And
year.
for 2 years, they will not show it as income, but they will show it as income received in advance. For example,
sir.
you paid 6,000 rupees. So what is their income?
2000.
2,000. And what is their income received in advance?
4000.
Very good. So that 4,000 is
Income received in
liability.
advance.
And 2,000
Liability.
is
And
income. Correct?
2000 is income. Yes.
Inventory.
Assets.
Asset. Fixed deposit.
Assets.
Very good, beta. Depreciation.
Sir, loss.
Very good. Expense.
Expense.
It's a loss, but it's expense. Income receivable.
Income. Assets.
Very good. Income receivable is asset. Okay. GST payable.
Sir, expense or liability.
No, but the expense and liability both are different, no?
Sir, liability.
Very good. Liability. Payable is liability. Anything which is payable is liability. Anything which is receivable is asset. Remember this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you got confused. तो लिख के रखना ये. GST payable. Drawings.
Sir, drawings we subtract from capital.
So it's a part of capital. Capital is part of drawing is a part of capital. Correct? Next, what is drawings? Drawings means amount withdrawn by the proprietor. Drawings, those who are from science background, amount withdrawn by the proprietor. Investment.
Investment assets.
Very good, beta. Next, purchases.
Expenses.
Very good. Expense. Prepaid expense.
Assets.
Now what is prepaid expense? In the books of Geo, it is income received in advance. But in your books, you paid it, no?
Yes, sir.
But your expenditure will be 2,000. Your expenditure, their income. Correct?
Yes,
and you paid 4,000 in advance, so you don't have to pay for next 2 years. So prepaid expense is always asset. So students, income received in advance is a liability and prepaid expense is asset. You can mention it. Expense payable is a liability and income receivable is asset. So 4 are very important. कौन से 4 बताए मैंने? Income received in advance is, yes beta, liability. Income receivable is asset. Prepaid expense is asset. And payable, expenditure payable is your liability. Have you mentioned this?
Yes,
Written? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
हो गया लिख के?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो. Bad debts.
Sir, expense.
Very good. Bad debts means what? Amount which is
Loss.
not recovered from the person.
Recoverable.
Amount which is not recovered, it is called as bad debts. Creditors, sorry, liability. I have shown the answer.
Liability.
Okay, next. Yes. So easy था बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what are golden rules of accounts?
Golden rules of accounts. Sir, वो personal, real, nominal? Yes, sir.
What is personal rule?
Sir, debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Okay, no problem. You have not passed any journal entry without these rules. You only, for example, if I ask you any journal entry, how you are passing this journal entry in 11? You are in first year, second year, or you have completed your
Sir,
graduation?
First
year.
year.
Or you are in 12th
Yes.
standard?
No, sir, first.
First year. Okay. So in 11th, 12th standard, while passing any journal entry, you are not applying any logic?
Sir, apply किया था.
Just asking you. Don't worry, beta. We are going to start from zero. आप आंसर दीजिए कि आपने पहले जर्नल एंट्री करते टाइम कभी लॉजिक नहीं यूज किया?
सर, किया था.
फिर आपने पर्सनल रियल नॉमिनल कैसे नहीं आ रहे आपको?
सर, डेबिट
मेरा
द
इंटरनेट
रिसीवर
स्लो
एंड
है क्या?
क्रेडिट
थोड़ा
द.
अनस्टेबल है? हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी. अच्छा, डू यू नो व्हाट इज बैलेंसेस?
Yes, sir.
हाउ मेनी बैलेंसेस आर देयर?
Sir, 2 debit balance and credit balance.
Very good. Debit and credit. What is debit balance? What do you mean by debit balance?
सर, जो हम डेबिट साइड से स्टार्ट करते हैं बैलेंस शीट के.
Account which is starting from left hand side. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In account, you are doing posting on left hand side. It is called as debit balance. Your left hand side is greater than right hand side. And if account is written on the right hand side, it is credit balance, correct? So normally which accounts we are writing from left hand side?
Assets and expenses.
Assets, very good. And expenses. 5 items. Out of that, for assets and expenses, we start from left hand side. Okay, so that is called as debit balance. What is debit? Debit is always equal to credit. Okay, so some accounts you have to start from the left hand side, some accounts you have to start from the right hand side. So which are you have to start from the right hand side?
Sir, liability, capital and income.
Income and capital. Very good. Okay, so balances are of two types: liability, debit balance and credit balance. If you start from the left hand side, it is called as debit balance. If you start from the right hand side, it is called as credit balance. So asset and expense are debit balance. Liability, income and capital have credit balance, correct? Okay. Okay. Now, beta, while passing, for example, if I'm buying something, purchases. Are you interested in every purchases or are you interested in overall purchases of that year?
Sir, overall purchase.
Very good. I want overall purchases in India starting from 1st April to 31st March. This year is called as which year, beta? In accounting?
Current financial year.
Very good. Financial year. We called it as financial year. So when we are calculating profit of any business in India, normally we start from 1st April and ends on 31st of March. Other countries, they have their own financial year. But in India, we are following 1st April to 31st March as the financial year. Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We are not following calendar year for accounts. Calendar year starts from 1st January, ends on 31st December. But for calculation of net profit or losses, we are normally following 1st April to 31st March. So I am interested in overall purchases of the current financial year. Okay. From where I will get these purchases? While preparing profit and loss account, now purchases is expense. So expense kahan pe jayega? In P&L, correct? So from where I will get these purchases in profit and loss account? Do you know that?
Sir, ledger से.
No, not from ledger. Ledger के बाद जो आता है उससे.
Journal entry.
बाद में. जर्नल के बाद, जर्नल पहले आता है कि बाद में आता है? तो लेजर के बाद what you are going to prepare? Trial balance. From where you will get this information?
Trial balance.
Trial balance. Trial balance is a summary of all expenses, all income, summary. Summary means final balances. Okay. Assets, liabilities, and capital. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And below trial balance, you have adjustment. What is adjustment, my dear? What is adjustment? Can you tell me what is adjustment? Below trial balance, you have adjustment, no?
सर जिनका हमारे पास वो नहीं होता,
क्या?
जैसे प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस है, इनका हमारे पास,
जिनका हमारे पास कोई सपोर्टिंग नहीं होता है.
यस सर.
मीन्स जिसका कोई बिल नहीं होता है, जिसका कोई वाउचर नहीं होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एडजस्टमेंट. गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट?
यस सर.
So from trial balance, we prepare financial statement, P&L and balance sheet. अभी trial balance, from where we'll get the trial balance? Trial balance मिलने के लिए अपने को कौन चाहिए? We want ledger. Correct? And ledger कब मिलेगा? When you pass
journal entry.
Journal entry. Journal entry is the first step of your recording transaction. But in journal, you have purchase also, sale also, expense also. So journal entry, we record date wise. What we record it as? Yes, date wise. And date wise recording in accounting, it is called as chronological order. What we call it as?
Chronological
चलो जल्दी
order.
जल्दी बोलो. Chronological order. What is chronological order? Date wise recording. Understood?
Yes sir.
After recording means we won't get the total. So for total we need ledger. And in ledger,
Yes.
what we are doing? Posting. In ledger, what we are doing?
Posting.
Posting. And trial balance is of summary. And from trial balance, you prepare P&L and
Profit and
balance
loss.
sheet, which are financial statements. Got the conceptual clarity?
Yes sir.
So we are going in reverse way. We need balance sheet and financial P&L, financial statements. So for this, we need information which we record it from. इनमें रिकॉर्ड कहां से होता है? P&L और बैलेंस शीट में. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो बेटा.
ट्रायल बैलेंस. ट्रायल बैलेंस.
ट्रायल बैलेंस को कहां से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा?
लेजर.
लेजर को कहां से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा?
जर्नल एंट्री.
जर्नल एंट्री में व्हाट वी आर डूइंग?
सर डेट वाइज पोस्टिंग.
रिकॉर्डिंग लिखा है ना अपना आगे. रिकॉर्डिंग.
sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे होता है?
सर सपोर्टिंग से.
सपोर्टिंग से, पर डेट वाइज. डेट वाइज. व्हाट इज
date
कॉल्ड
wise.
एज डेट वाइज रिकॉर्डिंग?
क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर.
हाँ. लेजर में क्या होता है?
पोस्टिंग.
ट्रायल बैलेंस में क्या होता है?
समराइजिंग.
समराइजिंग. P&L क्या होता है?
फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स.
Financial statement. But P&L gives you performance statement and balance sheet gives
परफॉर्मेंस. बैलेंस शीट गिव्स Position
Financial
of business.
position, हाँ, position statement, performance statement and position statement. तो ये flow is nothing but your final accounts. One more time, journal में क्या होता है?
Journal में recording of transaction date wise
Recording
in
of
chronological order.
फोकस कीजिए बेटा, फटाफट आंसर दीजिए. जर्नल में रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन, यू आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल नाउ. रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन डेट वाइज एंड विच इज कॉल्ड एज
Yes, sir.
chronological order. Ledger,
Chronology. Posting of transaction.
trial balance,
Summarizing.
P&L,
Financial statement. P&L gives profit and loss of the year, and balance sheet gives position of the business.
yes, performance by P&L and position by balance sheet. Very good. ठीक है. And adjustments which do not have any supporting, and journal entry means which have supportings. ठीक है, ये देखिए.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो बैक स्टोरी अभी बता रहा हूं. Let's take example that you purchase every day 2 liters milk. Okay, so 2 liters milk for
Yes, sir.
70 rupees per liter. Correct? So mathematically what is going to
Yes, sir.
happen? 2 liter 70 rupees into 365 days. Do it on
360.
Calci. Do you have Calci?
Yes, sir.
Do it on Calci and use this type of Calci. Yeah? This is the Calci. Yeah? Scientific Calci is not allowed. You have to use this type of Calci, and my suggestion, do not use Casio Calci. If possible, use Citizen Calci. I'm not the brand ambassador of Citizen and other Calci, but this Calci, Citizen Calci or sorry, Casio Calci will give you different functions. So it's better to use Citizen Calci, and do not use that, you know, means say only these calces which are looking good, but better you have to understand, you have memory plus button, total, all these buttons. Huh? So this type of calci you have to use. Scientific calci is not allowed in exam. चलो, तो mathematically it is 51,100, correct है? So mathematically we
Yes,
record
sir.
left hand side is equal to right hand side. But accounting wise, we are recording entry. Debit is equal to credit. Some transactions are debited and some accounts are credited. And now we have to understand rules for this. What we have to understand? Rules.
Rules.
And every day do you have to pass this entry. From left hand side you will start, and on right hand side you will close. Okay, and this is called as ledger, and then we take it in the trial balance. In trial balance you will have total. In trial balance you will have total. So every action has equal reaction. कौन बोलता है? न्यूटन बाबा. But our father of accounting, who is our father of accounting? Luca Pacioli.
Luca
Okay,
Pacioli.
नाम याद रखो, रहेगा तो अच्छी बात है. He is our father of accounts. He told every debit has equal credit. Every left hand side has right hand side. He developed it very beautifully, and we are follower of his accounting system, which is called as double entry system. Okay, this is called as scientific method of accounting, and there are two effects, debit and credit. So what is the concept of accounts? In accounts we will have T format. T format means debit side is left hand side, any account on debit side means left hand side, and credit side means, yes beta, fill in the blank, right side,
Right hand side.
फटाफट बोलिए. ओके, एसेट को कौन सा बैलेंस होता है बेटा? अभी बताया था, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम
Debit.
लेफ्ट
Debit.
साइड, मतलब डेबिट साइड. लाइबिलिटी
Credit balance.
क्रेडिट बैलेंस. वेरी गुड. एक कैपिटल
Credit balance.
क्रेडिट बैलेंस. इनकम
Credit balance.
एक्सपेंस
Debit balance.
चलो, everyone has to understand this. While before passing any entries, first balances are very important. Asset, liability, capital, income, and expenses. Are you nervous, Tamanna?
No, sir.
How much you scored in 12th?
Sir, overall,
Hmm?
81%.
Very good. You are finding this simple. You already covered this, so I don't think you have any difficulty.
Yes, sir.
अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाए आप?
Yes, sir.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. अभी दूसरों को पूछता हूँ. अनामिका,
Yes, sir.
चलो स्टार्ट करो बेटा. मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. एसेट विच बैलेंस?
Assets is debit balance.
लायबिलिटी?
Credit balance.
डेबिट बैलेंस मीन्स व्हाट?
Debit balance means.
अब भी बता ना बेटा. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. वी
Oh,
स्टार्ट
sorry.
फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड.
नहीं,
अब भी तो
I'm
बताया ना.
confused.
क्यों
हाँ,
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है अभी? एक देखो,
अच्छा.
चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी में एक बार बताया ना बेटा, छप जाना चाहिए दिमाग में.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा अब भी बताया. इतना भूलने जैसा क्या है उसमें? हाँ, क्रेडिट बैलेंस मीन्स.
Right hand side.
हाँ, वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड.
Yes.
इनकम विच बैलेंस?
Income is credit balance.
लायबिलिटी?
क्या?
लायबिलिटी?
Liability is credit balance.
फाइनली कौन सा बैलेंस?
Credit balance.
एक्सपेंस?
Expense debit balance.
इनकम?
Income credit balance.
कैपिटल?
Credit balance.
फटाफट बोलो. एसेट?
Assets debit balance.
रिपीट मत करो. डेबिट क्रेडिट इतना ही बोलो. लायबिलिटी?
Liability credit balance.
रिपीट मत करो. लायबिलिटी सिर्फ
Sorry,
क्रेडिट
sir.
बोलो. हाँ. इनकम?
Credit balance.
एक्सपेंस?
Debit balance.
कैपिटल?
Credit balance.
एसेट?
Debit balance.
इनकम?
Credit balance.
एक्सपेंस?
Debit balance.
इनकम?
Credit balance.
कैपिटल?
Credit balance.
हाँ.
Credit balance.
वेरी गुड बेटा. ठीक है, याद हो गया पूरा?
Yes, sir.
यू आर अटेंडिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम?
Yeah, live first time.
पहले देखा हुआ है?
नहीं नहीं, वो थोड़ा टाइम बचा हुआ था तो जो प्रीवियस बैच थी उसकी एक आध क्लास मैंने देखी थी रिकॉर्डेड.
तो अच्छे लगे थे?
तो मैंने मतलब वहीं से था कि इस बार तो मतलब ये क्या कहते हैं, मैंने सारी लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करनी है क्योंकि एक दो क्लासेस मैंने देखी थी तो आप बता रहे थे कि मतलब लाइव से ज्यादा बेनिफिट होता है. तो फर्स्टली मैं तो यही सोच रही थी कि मतलब इशू कुछ होगा तो इसलिए मैं रिकॉर्डेड कर लेती हूँ, बट आपने जब बोला कि नहीं लाइव ही करो, लाइव में बेनिफिट है, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है फिर मैं लाइव ही
तो कौन सा
करूंगी.
अच्छा लग रहा है आपको?
लाइव में ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है.
ओके, चलो अच्छी बात है. अटेंड इट टिल लास्ट सेशन. ओके, गिव अप मत करो. मेंटेन योर बुक्स प्रॉपरली. इट विल हेल्प यू आउट. सी, रिजल्ट्स डजंट मैटर. what are your efforts are very important. ओके.
ओके.
और एफर्ट्स सिर्फ गधे के जैसे एफर्ट्स नहीं करने, घोड़े के जैसे करने अपने को. ओके. एफर्ट्स मतलब स्मार्टली वर्क करना है, अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है. सिंपल क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो छोड़ देने के, मतलब एक बार ही सॉल्व करो. जो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है 2-3 बार सॉल्व करो. तो यू यूज दिस टेक्निक टू क्लियर योर एग्जाम. ओके.
ओके.
चलो, अभी वी आर मूविंग टू equation approach. Accounting can be passed by two approaches, but equation approach I will take it later on. First I will go with the traditional approach. Okay. Abhi traditional approach first I will write, so you can have posting of this traditional approach. मतलब आप मेरा notebook में लिखो पूरा.
Okay.
In notebook नहीं, rough pages पे, and afterwards we can do it in fair. Okay. Traditional. Do you know these rules of accounts?
Yeah.
Which one is first one?
Personal account.
Personal. Second one is? Real.
Nominal.
Real is second one and nominal is third one.
Okay.
Personal and real accounts we carry to balance sheet. Where we carry it?
Balance sheet.
And nominal accounts are? Fill in the blank.
Profit and loss.
What? Carry.
Carry.
Wrong. Transferred.
Transfer. I'm sorry.
हाँ, अब भी किया ना हमने. Assets and liabilities are carried, no, and income and expenses are transferred. Similarly, personal and real accounts are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are
Transferred.
what it means. Transfer means only for that year.
Yeah.
And carry means you are going to reopen in the next year. What do you mean by carry and transferred?
Carry
Carry
means
means carry it in
next
next
year
year.
में वो जाएगा,
हाँ,
और transfer means at that date it ended.
हाँ. You are not going to open that account in the next year. Okay. तो सैलरी उस साल खत्म हो गया, खत्म फॉर दैट ईयर ओनली. एंड सैलरी पेबल यू आर गोइंग टू पे इट इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, personal account means there are two type of person. One is natural. Accounting does not bifurcate natural and artificial person. Both are same. Natural means hum tum, you and me.
Yeah.
Okay. And artificial means banks, cooperative societies, in company. These are called artificial persons.
Artificial.
Now, rule for that, there are two rules.
Yeah.
One is due relationship. What is the rule?
Due relationship.
What is the rule for due relationship? Do you know?
Debit the debtor, credit the creditor.
Very
Creditor.
good. Where debit the debtor.
Yeah.
Debtor means what?
Debtor means assets.
Amount which is receivable.
Yeah.
Amount which is
Receivable.
receivable. So whenever person is there, you are going to receive amount from him, or
Yeah.
you have to pay him. Pay him means creditor,
Creditor.
payable. Correct?
Yeah.
So whenever you are doing transactions on credit basis, credit matlab udhari. Credit matlab not in cash. Okay. For example, I am giving you example.
Yeah.
Suppose daily you need tea in the afternoon. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So you are visiting different tea stalls. आप अलग अलग जगह पे जाते हो टी स्टॉल एंड यू हैव सम टी एवरी डे. तो आर यू गोइंग टू record the name of the that businessman or वो जो टी ये जो चला रहा है टी शॉप, तो आर यू गोइंग टू रिकॉल हिज नेम? आर यू गोइंग टू रिमेंबर whether there is need? No, because we are just paying him 10-12 rupees and we are taking that tea. तो वो बंदे का नाम क्यों हम लोग याद रखें? Correct? But now in my office we are having 5 employees and daily we are having tea in the office and we are settling that person after 1 month. So whether he is going to record my name in book, my name in his books?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because he has to take money from me. And whether my person will note down all daily tea numbers or not?
Yeah, recording.
Yes, he is going to record. Some days 3 tea, some days 7, some day 5. Suppose client आया तो मैं और extra चाय लेके आऊंगा. तो I have to record every tea number and then I will pay after 30 days. So in that case, I have to maintain personal account of the person in my books and in his books, my account will be there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So for me, it is payable or receivable?
Payable.
For me, he is a creditor. And in his books, I am a
Receivable. Debitor.
debtor. Okay,
Yeah,
T is silent. Debtor नहीं है वो. B is silent. Debtor.
Debtor.
Okay. हाँ. तो for him, I am a debtor. And for me, he is a creditor.
Creditor.
और यही रियल लाइफ में होता है. जीएसटी रिटर्न्स. When you are filing GST returns, तो सेलर के बुक्स में, in seller books, buyer will account will be there, debtor will be there, and in buyer's book, creditor means vendor will be there. Understood? And we have to match this debtor and creditor. GST वाले क्या करते हैं? रिटर्न्स को मैच करते हैं in real life.
Okay.
Understood? तो debtor creditor is very important. Debtor मतलब मुझसे, अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल चलो, नाउ यू क्रिएट वन एग्जाम्पल. नाउ यू क्रिएट वन एग्जांपल. आप कुछ तो बेच रहे हो और कोई बाय कर रहा है. टेक वन एग्जांपल एंड गिव मी डेटर क्रेडिटर.
ए ने मैं बेच रही हूँ
हाँ, कुछ भी लीजिए आप एग्जांपल में.
चॉकलेट.
आपने
चॉकलेट.
आप चॉकलेट बेच रहे हो ए को.
हाँ, मैं बेच रही हूँ चॉकलेट बी को, तो बी के लिए मैं क्रेडिटर डेप्टर हुई.
आराम से बताओ, बी के लिए आप डेटर हुई क्या क्रेडिटर हुई?
डेप्टर.
अच्छा,
डेटर.
मतलब बी चॉकलेट भी खाएगा और आपसे पैसा भी लेगा. वेरी गुड, क्या बात है.
नो नो नो, मैंने बी को सेल किया तो बी मेरे लिए वो है, डेप्टर है. डेट.
हाँ, तो आपके लिए बी डेटर है और बी के लिए आप
क्रेडिटर.
हाँ, ठीक है. अभी मुझे एक बात बताइए, मैंने आपको एक पेन ड्राइव बेचा. आई सोल्ड वन पेन ड्राइव टू यू ऑन क्रेडिट बेसिस. तो फॉर मी यू आर
डेटर.
डेटर एंड फॉर यू आई एम
क्रेडिटर.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलो, एंड व्हेन वी सेटल द ट्रांजैक्शन,
या
तो डेबिट मैं इधर लिखता हूं, सेटलमेंट बाजू में लिखता हूं. सेटलमेंट, सेटलमेंट में डेबिट द रिसीवर एंड क्रेडिट द गिवर.
गिवर.
ओके, अब ये रिसीवर कौन है? ही इज अ क्रेडिटर. नाउ क्रेडिटर बिकम्स रिसीवर. कौन है वो? क्रेडिटर गेट्स मनी, नो?
या.
So his left hand side, previously he was right hand side. Now he is on left hand side. So his balance is matching.
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
And debtor becomes giver. ये रूल आपको याद रखना है. मैंडेटरी. दिस रूल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट while passing any journal entry. तो do not skip these entries. चलो एक बार बोल के दिखाओ. देख के बोलो, लगे तो देख के बोलो, कोई. हाँ,
पर्सनल अकाउंट में ड्यू रिलेशनशिप में डेबिट द डेप्टर, क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर, और सेटलमेंट रिलेशनशिप में डेबिट द रिसीवर, रिसीवर जो क्रेडिटर है, और क्रेडिट द गिवर, गिवर जो
वो बाद में बोलो, वो बाद में बोलो. डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर, एंड देन बोलो क्रेडिटर बिकम्स रिसीवर एंड डेटर बिकम्स गिवर.
यस सर.
या डेटर बिकम्स गिवर, क्रेडिटर बिकम्स रिसीवर, ऐसा बोल सकते हो. वन मोर टाइम.
ड्यू रिलेशनशिप में डेबिट द डेप्टर, क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर, और सेटलमेंट में डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. डेबिटर
डेटर बेटा डेबिटर नहीं होता है, वो डेटर है. सिंपल. हाँ,
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत पैनिक हो रही हूँ.
नहीं पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं. एकदम बिंदास बोलिए, फ्री होके बोलिए, कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. डेटर बिकम्स
डेटर बिकम्स गिवर, क्रेडिटर.
हाँ, क्रेडिटर बिकम्स
डेप्टर.
नहीं क्रेडिटर डेटर कैसे बन जाएगा बेटा? क्रेडिटर बिकम्स रिसीवर, ऐसा क्या हो जाएगा? हाँ,
रिसीवर.
देख के बोलो ना बेटा, इधर देख के बोलो.
वो बस फंबल हो जा रहा है बोलने टाइम, सब कॉन्सेप्ट में तो क्लियर है.
तो फंबल मत होने दीजिए बेटा. फंबल हुआ मतलब यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट.
ओके सर.
मैं ऐसा फंबल होके सिखाऊं क्या? डेबिट द डेटर, क्रेडिट मतलब मैं कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं ना मेरे में सिखाने का.
यस सर.
आराम से बोलने का. अपन देख के बोलो 4 बार. ठीक है, मैं जब ब्रेक दूंगा तब आप बोल देना.
यस सर.
यस. रियल अकाउंट पहले रूल समझा देता हूं मैं.
Yes,
12. डेबिट व्हाट
comes in
and credit what
goes out.
Okay. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Real account means what? Cash, furniture, assets. These are normally real accounts. Okay.
Yes sir.
और एक्सपेंस को कौन सा बैलेंस था बेटा? क्या सिखाया मैंने?
एक्सपेंस को क्रेडिट बैलेंस.
हाँ,
एक्सपेंस को डेबिट बैलेंस.
बेटा वो 5 तो भूलना ही नहीं है. एसेट को कौन सा बैलेंस था?
एसेट को डेबिट बैलेंस.
लाइबिलिटी
क्रेडिट बैलेंस. एक्सपेंस को डेबिट बैलेंस.
हाँ, तो डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस, सेम लॉजिक.
यस सर.
एंड क्रेडिट all incomes and gains. एक्सपेंस को क्रेडिट मत कर देना बेटा, रूल्स तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इन रियल लाइफ. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अप्लाई रूल, यू आर डूइंग इट ओनली मैकेनिकली. आप मेरे सेशन में, बीओएस के सेशन में, एवरीथिंग यू आर गोइंग टू डू लॉजिकली. ओके, एवरीथिंग. तो प्लीज हैव पेशेंस. And students, it's a request to all of you, whenever you are passing, if you want success, so you have to pass entries by applying rules. Once you have grip over these rules, then you can shift to mechanical things, then automatically it will become okay. Beta, when you started your first second standard, then tables ये आप रोज याद करते थे?
नहीं सर.
नहीं करते थे टेबल्स?
मतलब नहीं करते थे.
अच्छा, मतलब ऐसा टू टू फोर्जा कितना होता है? नहीं याद आ रहा है? टू फोर्जा भी?
एट सॉरी.
मतलब मुझे लगा अभी इसके लिए भी कैलसी यूज करोगे. अच्छा,
नहीं,
फोर एट जा?
4 8 जा
हाँ,
16.
फोर एट जा 16 होता है? अरे बाप रे,
32 सॉरी.
इतना नर्वसनेस है?
बहुत ज्यादा सर.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, इतना नर्वसनेस. फोर एट जा अभी नहीं आएगा ऐसा तो नहीं होगा अनामिका, इतना टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो बेटा?
सॉरी
इतना
सर.
पैनिक?
आई ट्राई मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में ऐसा परफॉर्म ना करूं.
नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, वो बात नहीं है. पर मैं थोड़ा सा डर गया ना बेटा फोर एट जा बोलने के बाद. कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको कंफर्टेबल कर रहा था तो आपने मुझे ही डरा दिया.
सॉरी सर.
सब आ रहा है बेटा. ओके एवरीवन, एक काम कीजिए, आई एम गिविंग यू 5 मिनट्स. एक 5 मिनट के बाद देता हूं. तो यू जस्ट हैव टू टेल मी पर्सनल, रियल एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट के रूल्स, एवरी वन ऑफ यू. एंड प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट. इफ यू कैन answer this personal, real, nominal, then passing entry is very easy for you. Okay, we are going to pass journal entries today. I'm going to teach you 10 entries. आज हम लोग 10 entries सीखेंगे. But I want everyone must answer this. And please do not get nervous. If you are getting, this is very natural. If you are answering for the first time ना, it is very natural कि आपको थोड़ा सा फंबल होगा, नर्वसनेस होगा. Don't worry, वो सब लोग उसी फेज में से जाते हैं. ठीक है? तो यस बेटा, ये आपको ध्यान में आया होगा. अनामिका, आर यू देयर? चलो सिया.
Yes, sir.
चलो सिया, यू हैव टू टेल मी नाउ फर्नीचर बाय यूजिंग पर्सनल, रियल, नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स. नॉट इन दी एसेट, लाइबिलिटी, एक्सपेंस, इनकम, कैपिटल नहीं. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी वेदर इट्स अ रियल अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट और नॉमिनल अकाउंट.
Okay.
फर्नीचर.
Real account.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा आवाज बड़ा रखिए बेटा. फर्नीचर इज रियल. सेल्स.
Nominal account.
Very good. You are attending for the first time?
Yes, sir.
You never attended my lecture in recorded one?
No, sir.
पहली बार देख रहे हो आप मुझे लाइफ में?
हाँ मतलब पहले रिसर्च थोड़ा किया था कि क्लासेस वगैरह है, बट कभी
क्या क्या क्या?
पहले देखा था कि खाली रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स है, बट उसको अटेंड नहीं करा है.
अच्छा, मतलब मेरा फेस देखा हुआ है आपने पहले कभी ना कभी.
हाँ.
ओके ठीक है. और समझ में आ रहा है आपको अच्छे से?
यस सर.
कंफर्टेबल हो? नर्वसनेस नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर.
आपको आता है ना 4 8 जा?
32.
ठीक है. एंड 4 9 जा?
36.
चलो ठीक है, नर्वसनेस नहीं है. लोन.
पर्सनल अकाउंट.
हाँ, आई विल गिव यू वन सीक्रेट. लाइबिलिटी साइड इज फुल्ली पर्सनल अकाउंट. पता है आपको ये?
यस सर.
लाइबिलिटी साइड इज फुल्ली
पर्सनल
अकाउंट. जो भी लाइबिलिटी साइड में है सब पर्सनल अकाउंट है.
Yes.
और एसेट साइड में जो होगा वो
रियल.
रियल या पर्सनल. एंड पी&एल में जो होगा वो
नॉमिनल अकाउंट.
वेरी गुड. जो पी&एल में आएगा वो नॉमिनल, एक्सपेंस और इनकम. लाइबिलिटी साइड पर्सनल एंड एसेट साइड सम पर्सनल सम रियल. ओके, नो नॉमिनल इन बैलेंस शीट. डेटर्स,
पर्सनल अकाउंट.
पर्सनल रूल ही था ना, डेबिट द डेटर क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर,
Yes,
करेक्ट,
sir.
पर्सनल. कैपिटल,
Capital, personal account.
पर्सनल, लाइबिलिटी साइड पर्सनल. कैश,
Real account.
वेरी गुड, रियल अकाउंट. जो भी गलत होगा प्लीज नोट डाउन. Whenever you are getting any mistake, note down. Salary,
Nominal account.
very good. Bank OD,
Personal account.
because it's a
Liability.
very good. Income received in advance,
Income received in advance. Personal account.
why?
Liability.
Liability, nice. Inventory,
Real account.
very good. Fixed deposit, if you treat it as investment to real account, if you treat it as bank deposit to personal account. Okay, both are correct. If treated like investment, to comes in goes out, real account. If treated as bank FD, bank is artificial person, तो it's a personal. तो एग्जाम में क्या लिखना है? पर्सनल.
Yes.
हाँ, बट रियल भी ट्रीट कर सकते हो, डजंट मैटर. डेप्रिसिएशन,
Nominal account.
नॉमिनल, वेरी गुड. डेप्रिसिएशन इज अ लॉस, नॉमिनल. इनकम रिसीवेबल,
Personal account.
personal. Receivable, payable, received in advance and prepaid are personal account. Okay.
Yes.
GST payable,
Personal account.
drawings,
Personal account.
very good, personal. Investment,
Real account.
comes in goes out, so real account.
Yes.
Nice. Purchases,
Nominal account.
very good. Expense है, nominal. Prepaid expense,
Real account.
no, I already told. No, receivable, received in advance, prepaid, payable are personal account.
Yes.
गलत हुआ, ये लिख के रखो. Prepaid is personal. Bad debts,
Nominal account.
very good. And creditor,
Creditor. Personal account.
पर्सनल. रूल ही था ना, डेबिट द डेटर क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर.
Yes.
ओके, अभी अच्छे से रूल याद करो.
Yes, sir.
टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस रूल्स और यू कैन नोट डाउन इट. किया क्या नोट डाउन? किया नोट डाउन बेटा?
सर
यस, यस.
संकेत सर, अजीत.
हाँ बोलिए ना सर.
सर, अदर स्टूडेंट्स आर कंप्लेनिंग कि उनको मौका नहीं मिल रहा बोलने का.
सर सबको कहाँ से मौका देंगे? 4 लोगों को दिया अभी तक.
सर, दे आर सेइंग दैट यू आर फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट.
नो, अभी ये 4 लोगों को फोकस किया सर.
सर, हमारे पास कंप्लेन आई है इस चीज की.
अच्छा, students, it's not possible. There are more than 150 students are attending class. I cannot ask every student, and we will give you time at the end to ask me questions. और यहाँ पे 150 स्टूडेंट को एक साथ मैं नहीं पूछ सकता हूँ. पहले मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट तक एक ही स्टूडेंट को रखना पड़ेगा. मैं बार बार स्टूडेंट्स बदल नहीं सकता हूँ. अप टू रूल्स मैं एक ही को मौका दे सकता हूँ. ओके, अजित सर पूछता हूँ, मैं उनको पार्टिसिपेट करवाता.
श्योर सर.
यस, एक कॉन्सेप्ट होने तक मुझे एक ही सर चालू रखना पड़ेगा.
सर, पर्टिकुलर छोटे छोटे पोर्शन में ना इनको डिवाइड करके फिर.
यस यस यस.
यस सर.
ओके, चलो. तो yes students, so we have completed this. I am going to ask 5 students all these rules of accounts, so you have to take break लीजिए 5 minutes का. in break you understand all these things. स्क्रीन को रिमूव मत कीजिए. टेक्निकल पर्सन ये रहने दीजिए ऐसा ही, तो they can revise it from here. And I will ask you questions at 12:20. 12:20 को will start in 5 minutes. टेक्निकल में कौन है?
निसक जी।
चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Yes, we start with Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Fundamental rules.
Sir, Ayushi.
Ayushi. Sorry, I read it wrong. हाँ. Yes, Ayushi.
Yes.
कहाँ
Okay,
से हो बेटा?
so I'm from Maharashtra, Khopoli.
खोपोली से हो. चलो, ओके. क्या सैड
Okay,
न्यूज आया
so
एक महाराष्ट्र में अपने?
yes,
कौन सी?
about that murder.
मर्डर?
Yes.
कौन सा मर्डर बेटा? अजित पवार का न्यूज नहीं आया आपको तो?
Acha, okay, no, I'm not aware about
नॉट
that.
अवेयर. ओके, ठीक है. ओके, चलो बोलिए.
Okay, so for personal, debit the receiver, credit the giver.
कहाँ से
For
बेटा? आप भी लिख के दिया ड्यू रिलेशनशिप. उधारी पहले होती है या सेटलमेंट पहले होती है?
okay, sorry.
अब भी मैंने बोला 5 मिनट पहले कि भाई याद करो सभी रूल्स. ब्रेक में नहीं किया क्या आपने? एंजॉय किया ब्रेक?
No, sir.
फिर अब भी तो रूल्स करने चाहिए था ना अपने ब्रेक में. बेटा सीए कर रहे हैं हम लोग. मोटिवेशन रहना चाहिए हमेशा. मुझे आना ही चाहिए, ऐसा गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए हमने. कितना मिनट
Yes,
हुआ?
sir.
5 मिनट दिया मैंने आपको. क्यों दिया? बिकॉज यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ड्यू रिलेशनशिप. आप देख के जोर जोर से बोले ना घर पे एक बार रूल्स. चलो थोड़ी देर बाद बताइए आपने कैसे सेटलमेंट से स्टार्ट किया. यस, गोहित. Why you started with settlement? I don't understand. आप देखो तो सही ग्रुप पे. चलो. यस. यू वांट टू आंसर देन यू कैन रेज द हैंड. हाँ.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Priya.
प्रिया. ओके.
Yes, sir.
यस, स्टार्ट
So,
प्रिया. हम्म.
so in case of due relationship,
हम्म.
debit the receiver, credit the giver, and
चलो
in
रॉन्ग.
case of set,
सामने रूल से ड्यू रिलेशनशिप डेटर क्रेडिटर इज फर्स्ट.
sir, that's what I said. That debit the receiver and credit the giver.
नो, यू स्टार्ट विद डेबिट द डेटर क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर एंड देन एंड्स विद
Okay.
द.
Okay, sorry, sir. I'll repeat it. Debit the debtor and credit the creditor. Okay, in settlement, creditor is the receiver and debtor is the giver.
So rule is first tell me rule. Settlement.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm not able to recall it right.
Due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. I'm going very slowly. Settlement relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver, and then you can talk like this: debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. Last.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Start.
Set due relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver.
चलो
And
next up रहने दीजिए. You are nervous now. Debit the debtor से शुरू होगा बेटा.
okay, sir.
शुरू शुरू कहाँ से होता है? चेक तो करो स्क्रीन पे. रिसीवर गिवर से शुरू होता है क्या डेटर क्रेडिटर से होता है? बेटा कोई भी शुरुआत उधारी से होती है या सेटलमेंट से होती है?
सर उधारी से होती है.
तो फिर डेटर क्रेडिटर आएगा या रिसीवर गिवर आएगा पहले?
डेटर क्रेडिटर आएगा.
तीन चीजें बोलनी है. डेबिट द डेटर क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर, सेटलमेंट डेबिट द रिसीवर क्रेडिट द गिवर, एंड डेटर बिकम्स गिवर एंड क्रेडिटर बिकम्स रिसीवर. बस इतना बोलना है.
ओके सर.
उसमें फंबल होने की जरूरत है क्या?
नो सर.
चलो बोलिए. बोलना है क्या या दूसरे को पूछूं?
नो सर, आई स्पीक इट.
हाँ बोलो.
Debit the debtor, credit the creditor in dual relationship. In settlement, credit the debtor and debit the. Sorry, sir.
चलो ठीक है. यू आर नर्वस, रहने दीजिए. डेबिट द रिसीवर क्रेडिट द गिवर था. Yes. If you are not able to speak rules, you are not able to do CA course, you can do it, but very mechanically then. चलो बोलो. संध्या.
So,
Are you able to recall it or no?
Yes, sir.
Start.
In the due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. In the settlement, debit the
Receiver.
debit the receiver, credit the giver.
Debtor becomes giver.
Debtor becomes giver,
Creditor becomes
creditor
receiver.
becomes receiver.
Real account.
Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal
Nominal
account.
account.
Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain.
But I have supported you, but not every time. So in next session, make sure that you are able to recall these entries.
Yes, sir.
Next. Mr. Mehrab, एक student answer not correctly, partially answered. I
Yes,
want
sir.
100% correct answer. Without my support.
Okay, sir.
Start.
In due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. In settlement relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes a giver and creditor becomes the creditor
You are
becomes
just
the
reading it,
receiver.
or you are
I am not reading it,
recalling it?
recalling it.
Okay. You are not reading from the your notebook, no?
No, sir.
Do not cheat me.
Okay, okay, sir. In real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In nominal account, debit all incomes and gains, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
Very good. Chalo. One mistake. Ayyappa.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Chalo, start.
In personal account, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. In settlement relationship, debit the creditor, debit the receiver. Sorry, sir. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Receiver creditor becomes receiver, debtor becomes the giver. In real account, debit debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, and credit all incomes and gains.
Very good. Malbika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start beta.
In due relationship, debit the debtor and credit the creditor. In settlement relationship, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. In real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And in nominal account, debit all expense and losses and credit all incomes and gains.
Okay. Students, when you are doing it for the first time, you will feel nervous. Don't worry. This is very natural thing. And normally we never had such type of focus in 11-12 standard. And this is a right platform where you can interact with us. We can tell your difficulties. We can solve your difficulties. We can see your nervousness and we can help you out. So it's okay. If you are not able, first read students, if you are not able to recall, it's okay. But now I know in tomorrow's session, Goilji, you can easily tell me all these things. Don't worry. Okay. So don't get panic कि ठीक है, and failure is a part of your success. Don't worry कि मेरे को सबके सामने नहीं आया, ये feel मत करना, वो आ जाएगा over the time. But you have to attend it every day, and whenever you will get a time, recall it in the class, tell to your friends all these rules and have grip over these 20 entries. आज मैं 10 entries सिखाऊंगा, 10 entries मैं कल लूंगा. Okay, चलो. Now how to write the entry on rough pages. Do 4 parts. 1. Identify accounts. Write down. Identify accounts. Identify type. 4 parts में divide करना है. Apply rule and entry. So identify accounts, identify type, apply rule for one page, and entry. Now we are starting with first 20 journal entries, which will make your life very easy. And you have to write these rules and accounts, these entries in concept book, where you have to write today in the concept book. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लास्ट में देता हूं. Yes. First one, write down. Capital introduced. Capital introduced. Those who are attending for the first time, please, those only answer it in the class. Those who already watch my lecture, it's a request to all of you, do not answer, give chance to other students who are doing it for the first time. Okay? And without any hesitation, you can answer. Suchita, can you tell me 2 accounts, beta? Capital introduced. We are going by traditional approach. Can you tell me 2 accounts? Which 2 accounts? Suchita Yadav. जल्दी जल्दी अनम्यूट करो बेटा. We don't have time. हाँ. Which
Sir,
2 accounts? What do you think?
personal OTL.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. Which 2 accounts? कौन से 2 account आएंगे? Capital. One is capital. And capital means what? Capital means he has given some cash to the business. क्या दिया उसने?
Cash.
Cash. तो cash and
Capital.
capital. Very good. Cash and capital. Cash is which type of account, beta?
Cash assets है.
नहीं नहीं.
Assets.
ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच के हिसाब से. मॉडर्न अप्रोच नो मैडम. रियल अकाउंट अभी हुआ ना. रियल पर्सनल नॉमिनल.
Yes.
Cash is a real account, correct?
Real account.
And capital?
सर मेरे को मॉडर्न अप्रोच के साथ आता है. ट्रेडिशनल
नहीं
में
बेटा,
थोड़ी.
अभी अपने को थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा ना. आप सपोज शादी होने के बाद आपके मम्मी पापा के हिसाब से रहोगे या उधर के कायदा कानून के हिसाब से रहोगे? थोड़ा सा अपने को घर का भी फॉलो करना पड़ेगा ना. नए टीचर है तो नए टीचर कुछ तो आपके अच्छे के लिए बताएंगे. मुझे जो आता है वो आप एग्जाम में लिखोगे या जो एग्जाम में चाहते हो वो आपको थोड़ा खुद को डेवलप करना है क्या नहीं करना है? मॉडर्न अप्रोच से ज्यादा ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच आपका थिंकिंग बढ़ाएगा सुचिता. ओके. तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं रियल पर्सनल नॉमिनल बाइफरकेट नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
नो सर. पर सर नेक्स्ट क्लास में ट्राई करेंगे.
नेक्स्ट क्लास में ट्राई करो. चलो कोई बात नहीं. यस. प्रणाली.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. कैपिटल इज विच टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट बेटा?
Personal account.
वेरी गुड. कैपिटल इज अ पर्सनल. मैंने अब भी बताया लाइबिलिटी साइड इज फुल्ली पर्सनल. व्हाट इज द रियल का रूल? प्रणाली, व्हाट इज रियल रूल? चलो ठीक है. नहीं
Debit
आता
what
है.
comes in, credit what.
ओके. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. मैं पहले लिख देता हूं तो टुमारो यू कैन आंसर दिस ऑन मंडे. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. रियल अकाउंट इज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. एंड सी नाउ बिजनेस हैज टू रिटर्न दिस अमाउंट. बिजनेस को ये पैसा रिटर्न करना है. तो बिजनेस फॉर बिजनेस कैपिटल इज अ क्रेडिटर और यू कैन ट्रीट इट एज गिवर ऑल्सो, बट मोर अप्रोप्रिएट इज क्रेडिटर. More appropriate is creditor because business has to return this money. And therefore, we write the entry cash account debit. This is how we have to write the entry. Cash account DR. DR means debit representative. And give space and write to capital account. थोड़ा space देके to capital account. So this is the entry. First one. Cash, real, capital, personal, and we apply the rule. Second entry is write down loan taken. Loan taken. So there are 2 accounts, cash and loan. Loan taken, cash comes in, cash is a real account. And same logic, capital is a personal. Similarly, loan is a personal. What is the difference? Capital is by owner and loan is by outsider. Outsider means third party. Outsider को accounts में क्या बोलते हैं? Third party. And owner is a first party. So capital is a first party and loan is a third party. So cash is a real account. Debit, what comes in, and credit, the creditor, and return. You have to return this money. So he is your due relationship creditor, not settlement. So in loan taken, due relationship, which is the relationship here. Here you can mention due. Okay, so it will be easy for you. So entry will be cash account debit to loan account. On Monday, I want from everyone, they can easily pass these journal entries. आज नहीं पूछूंगा मैं. आज you only raise your hand. I will ask you 5 entries after the explanation. 3 furniture purchase. Furniture purchase. Now see, don't open purchase account. Open furniture account. Purchase is for goods. Purchase is for goods. Day-to-day expenses. Furniture is not day-to-day expenses. For furniture dealer, it will be purchases. If you are dealing in the furniture, if you are a furniture dealer, you will open purchase account. But if you are not the furniture dealer, you will open furniture account. Okay, who will open purchase account? Furniture dealer. And second one is a cash. Furniture is real account. Cash is also real account. Now R stands for real. Debit what? Comes in. And credit what? Goes out. Furniture account debit to cash. Third entry. Furniture and cash. Those students who want to become a chartered accountant with logical way will do this in this format. Those who don't want to pass or would want to do it mechanically, okay, they are not going to become chartered accountant. This is my first day advice. तो वो लोग illogically कुछ तो याद रखेंगे. But those who want to do it, traditional approach you have to use. Other approach is of no use. Modern approach से हम लोग बाद में करेंगे, not now. But traditional approach is very important when you want to develop yourself. Fourth one, depreciation. Depreciation. Depreciation means reduction in the value of asset due to wear and tear of the asset. Asset रख के वो asset की value कम हो जाती है. आपने Activa ली थी. Activa for the first day. It is not giving you the same performance year after year. तो Activa का performance is getting down. So depreciation is nothing but it's a loss. Depreciation on furniture is a loss. So depreciation account and furniture value is reducing. So furniture account is a second account. Depreciation and furniture. Depreciation is a nominal account and furniture is a real account. Here debit all losses, not expense. Expense means which is paid from the pocket. Salary is expense. Depreciation is a loss. Depreciation is a loss. Remember, expense मतलब जो जेब से पे होता है and losses जो जेब से नहीं पे होता पर value reduce होता है वो loss होता है. And furniture, what goes out? What goes out? So entry will be depreciation account debit to furniture. Fifth entry. Fifth entry. Stationery purchase. Stationery purchase. Don't open purchases account. If you are a stationery dealer, to open stationery purchases account. Open purchase account only if you are a stationery dealer. Other than stationery dealer, they will open stationery account and cash account. Stationery is a nominal, cash is a real. Depreciation, debit all expenses. Stationery you are paying from the pocket, it's not a loss. It is a payment made. So it is outflow होगा cash का, तो expense है. And credit what goes out. So entry will be stationery account debit Stationery account debit to cash. Sixth entry. Okay, so 5 entries we have completed. I'm going to ask you 5 entries with logic. Those who are interested can raise their hand. Other students, remove your hand. Those who want to answer it logically can raise their hand. I'm giving you 3 minutes to recall this. Shubham. Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Yes, बेटा गायत्री जल्दी बताओगे आप एंट्रीज
हाँ.
without looking into it. Depreciation.
Yeah. So the identified accounts are depreciation and
नहीं
furniture.
पूरा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. डेप्रिसिएशन फर्नीचर फटाफट बोलते जाइए. हाँ
Okay.
डेप्रिसिएशन फर्नीचर देन
Depreciation, furniture, nominal and real. The rules are debit all losses, credit what goes out, entry depreciation account debit to furniture.
वेरी गुड बेटा क्या बात है एकदम स्पीड में बताया. स्टेशनरी परचेस.
Stationery and cash, nominal account, real account, debit all expenses, credit what goes out, and the
नहीं तो अभी
entries.
ऐसा बोलना स्टेशनरी नॉमिनल अकाउंट एक्सपेंस कैश रियल अकाउंट गोज आउट.
Okay. Stationery, nominal account, debit all expenses, cash, real account, credit what goes out, and the entries stationery account debit to cash account.
बैंक लोन.
Cash account, real account, debit what comes in, loan, personal account, credit the giver, cash account debit to loan
गिवर
account.
से ज्यादा क्रेडिटर ज्यादा करेक्ट है. यू हैव टू रिटर्न इट नो. तो ड्यू रिलेशनशिप और सेटलमेंट.
Settlement.
हाँ लोन
Sorry.
लेके
Sorry,
वापस
sorry.
दे दिया क्या आपने.
No, sorry, due relationship.
तो क्या रूल अप्लाई करोगे.
Credit the creditor.
ओके टेल मी रूल्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स फर्स्ट.
Personal account.
नहीं पेजेस क्यों पलटी मारे. नहीं मारने थे.
Okay, okay, sorry.
क्यों
Personal
ऊपर बेटा
account.
थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी रहेगा याद करने को. थोड़ा दिमाग को चांस तो दो. तुरंत गिव अप मत करो. बंद करो नोटबुक. कुछ नहीं होता. आई विल हेल्प यू आउट.
हाँ, okay. Personal account, debit the debtor and credit the creditor.
पहले ड्यू
in the
रिलेशनशिप बोलने का बेटा.
due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. In settlement relationship, debit the giver, credit the receiver, and wherein debtor is the giver and creditor is the receiver.
नेक्स्ट रियल अकाउंट.
Real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
नॉमिनल अकाउंट.
Debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gain.
कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस.
Capital account and cash account.
पहले
Capital
कैश है
account,
पहले कैपिटल.
cash account, real account, debit what comes in. Capital account, personal account, credit the giver.
क्रेडिटर ज्यादा बराबर है ना.
Okay, credit the creditor, and the entry is cash account debit to capital account.
स्टेशनरी परचेस.
Stationery and cash, cash account, real account, debit what, credit what goes out, and stationery.
पहले नोटबुक ओपन था. स्टेशनरी नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट एक्सपेंसेस.
हाँ.
वो हेल्प लेना नहीं है बेटा क्लास में नोटबुक की. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू इम्प्रेस मी. ओके यू विल इम्प्रेस मी ओनली इफ यू आर नॉट लुकिंग इनटू द बुक देन ओनली.
Sir, I had a doubt actually. So can I get all recorded lectures of these live lectures?
Yes, in playlist of foundation on YouTube you can visit ICAI CA Tube channel. You can subscribe for this channel. So CA Tube में you will get the playlist and in playlist you will have these recorded lectures.
Because I saw the schedule and the lectures are during my board exams next month, so I will not be able to join the live lectures.
No problem, dear. I know that. So you can attend it and whenever you will get time, please watch it in live session.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छे से बताया. एंड क्या नया लगा आपको आज के सेशन में? वेयर आर यू? व्हाट इज द नेम? आई फॉरगॉट. हाँ, गायत्री.
Sir, I actually I was very मतलब बेसिक्स में थोड़ा कम थी, so I like the lecture you took.
एक वाक्याचे सेशन, एक वाक्याचे. अच्छा, तो बेसिक्स में वीक थे, अभी थोड़ा सा फायदा हुआ. ओके,
हाँ.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ऐसे ही. और प्लीज आज जैसे बताया, पर ओनली द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट नोटबुक रेफर नहीं करना है इधर. ये देखना है अपने को. आपने सीधा नोटबुक में देख के बताया.
No, sir. Actually, I was not looking at the book, but it was. I was writing when you were dictating, so it was
ठीक है,
already
कोई बात
open.
नहीं. ठीक है, चलो, we will move to next 5 entries. Students, now we'll do 7 entries actually. One is, write down, salary to Anand is 10,000 and paid 8,000. Salary to Anand is 10,000 and paid rupees 8,000. So here salary is a nominal account and this is my expenses. But when we are booking expenses in the books, we always follow accrual system of accounting. Accrual. Now what is accrual system? Let's understand it. We are not recording on the payment basis. So how much salary is Anand is getting? So salary account debit, his monthly salary is 10,000. So this is called as accrual concept. But how much cash goes out? Cash कितना जा रहा है? तो cash goes out is real account. Credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. So to cash is 8,000. To cash is 8,000. And salary payable. Salary payable under which Anand account will be reflected. Anand is a personal account. Due relationship. Credit the creditor. We have to pay Anand in future. So to salary payable. Salary payable is a representative personal account. It represents Anand. Similar to Anand, there are more employees to whom salary is payable. So we have list of accounts under salary payable. So salary payable is which type of account? Representative personal. It represents number of employees. तो आनंद को सैलरी पे करना है 2,000. It's my liability, personal account. Liability shows personal account. So my expenditure is 10,000, but I paid 8,000 and salary payable is 2,000. 7th account. Investment in fixed deposit. Investment in fixed deposit. Now you have choice. Either open bank FD account or you can open investment account and cash goes out. Bank FD is a personal account, cash is a real account. Here you will receive this investment after selling it. So bank FD is a personal account, debit the debtor, and if you treat it as investment, so it will comes in. Okay, so both are correct. Bank FD is also correct. Investment is also correct. Cash goes out. So entry will be bank FD account debit to cash. Bank FD account debit to cash. Okay, so we have completed 7 journal entries. So this is the first basic entries, 7 entries. Okay. Now we will do entries related to, you can note down, entries related to purchases. Entry related to purchases. Next part is entries which are related to purchases. Number 8. Cash purchases. Cash purchases. So which two accounts? Purchase account, cash account. Two accounts are purchases and cash. Purchase is nominal account, cash is a real account. Debit all expenses, my dear, and cash what goes out. Debit all expenses. Oh, sorry, already written, my mistake. Purchases account debit to cash account. Purchases account debit to cash account. 8th entry. Credit purchases. Credit purchases. Purchase account and creditor, because we want to pay someone. Pay someone means creditor. Nominal, personal, due relationship, not settlement. Due relationship. Debit all expenses. Credit the creditor. He is my creditor. Rule, personal, due relationship. And therefore entry is purchases account debit to creditor. Purchases to creditor. Focus कीजिए, because I am going to ask you these entries. 10th entry. Payment to creditor. Payment to creditor. So cash account and creditor account. Creditor first, cash second. Sequence is not important, but it's better always give debit first and then credit. Creditor is a personal settlement relationship. Personal and settlement, not due. Cash is a real account. Debit, now while settling it, he becomes receiver. He becomes receiver. And credit, what goes out? So entry is creditor account debit to cash. Creditor account debit to cash. Assume he offered us discount. Assume he offered us discount. And this is called as cash discount. Discount, it is called as discount received. Discount received. He gives us discount. So creditors account and discount received account. Creditors personal account, cancel your creditor. This is not settlement. This is cancel. Because we are getting discount, so our creditors will get cancel. And any account is cancelled by giving opposite effect. Opposite effect. And discount received is a nominal account. So debit creditors. Why creditors? Cancelled. He's not receiver. Creditors cancelled. And credit the gain. So entry will be creditors account debit to discount received. Next one, deficiency. If you are not able to pay your creditor, if you are not able to pay creditor, so it is called a deficiency. if we have not paid our creditors. हमने bad debts नहीं, bad debts in case of we are not getting money. Deficiency if we are not giving someone amount. So deficiency is our gain. Same logic. Personal cancel. Same logic. Nominal. Copy paste this. Creditors to discount instead of discount to deficiency. Logic is same. Creditors to deficiency. These are the entries related to purchases. All 7 entries we have done. After 5 entries, we have done 7 entries. Total 12. Recall these entries. Chalo fast recall karo. Cash purchases. Salary to Anand. Investment in FD. Cash purchases. Credit purchases. Payment. Discount received. And deficiency. Five homework. 5 entries homework. 13. Cash sales. 14. Credit sales. 15. Collection from debtors. Same logic. These are the entries related to sales. This is your homework. Entries related to sales. 16. Discount allowed, not received. Discount allowed. This is all loss. Discount allowed to debtors. And 17 is bad debts. Is also loss. So bad debts account debit to debtors. 17 entries. Entries related to sales. Okay. Outstanding entries. Outstanding entries. Now we will recall it in 2 forms. For expenses and for income. For expenses and income, magical way. Expense payable. Liability. Expense payable is a liability. Liability has credit balance. So expense payable will be credited. And expenses account will be debited. We will book expenses. Book your expenses. So expenses debit balance. To expense payable. So how to recall it? Expense payable is a liability. So credit. And expenses will be debit. So this is magical way. Logical way, I will explain it in the final accounts. Don't worry. Prepaid expense. What is prepaid expense? Asset. Prepaid expense is asset. So prepaid expense account debit and we will cancel our expense. Expenses will be cancelled by giving opposite effect. तो expenses को credit करेंगे. तो prepaid expenses asset to expense. Cancel your expense. Income. Receivable. Income is receivable. So income receivable is my asset. Asset shows debit balance. So income receivable account debit to income. Income book in the current year. Book किया. Income book किया. And income received in advance. Income received in advance is a liability. Liability है तो credit balance. And income is debited because cancel income. Book मत करो, cancel your income. So these are the 4 entries. So total 18 के बाद 18, 19, 20, 21. 18 to 21. 21 entries you have to do it. If you are able to do these 21 entries, believe me, you will find accounts very simple. If you are doing it logically, directly do not pass entry when you are doing it for the first time. So do it in the logical way. And then we will see directly entry once you have command over these entries. Okay. Chalo. So who is going to tell me all these 21 entries? Randomly, I will ask you 5 entries. Raise your hand. Do not get panic. आएगा आप लोगों को, भरोसा रखो खुद पे. Yes. Kavya.
जी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून।
यस, गुड आफ्टरनून। चलो राठौर जी,
जी
रैंडमली
सर।
पूछ रहा हूं आपको,
ओके।
कलेक्शन फ्रॉम डेटर्स।
कलेक्शन फ्रॉम डेटर्स, सर कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू डेटर्स।
No direct entries. Cash account, real debit what comes in, debtors, personal account
कैश
settlement,
डेटर्स,
giver. हाँ,
ओके। कैश डेटर्स, कैश रियल अकाउंट एंड डेटर्स पर्सनल अकाउंट।
settlement.
यस सर, सेटलमेंट
हाँ,
सर।
rule.
सर कैश अकाउंट, कैश रियल, ओके रियल अकाउंट ना। रियल अकाउंट का रूल सर, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट।
नहीं, उतना ही रूल अप्लाई करो जितना चाहिए, पूरा क्यों बता
ओके।
रहे हो? हाँ,
डेटर्स के लिए सर, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, सॉरी डेटर्स तो क्रेडिट होंगे, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट डेटर्स के लिए। और
तो कहाँ से भाई साहब? डेटर पर्सनल अकाउंट है, क्रेडिट द गिवर आएगा भाई।
ओके,
दोनों को क्या
क्रेडिट।
डेबिट क्रेडिट दोनों रियल ट्रीट कर दिया आपने अच्छे से। देखो मैं बताता हूँ, कैश, डो नॉट गेट पैनिक, शांति से सुनिए।
ओके
कैश
ओके
डेटर्स, कैश इज अ रियल अकाउंट, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, डेटर्स इज अ पर्सनल अकाउंट, सेटलमेंट रिलेशनशिप, क्रेडिट द गिवर। समझा?
ओके जी सर।
डिस्काउंट अलाउड।
डिस्काउंट अलाउड, सॉरी सर आई एम नॉट रिकॉलिंग, करना पड़ेगा मुझे।
कोई बात नहीं। नेक्स्ट, एक्सपेंस पेएबल।
एक्सपेंस पेबल, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस सर, एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट होंगे।
रॉन्ग रॉन्ग, पहले एक्सपेंस पेएबल क्या है? लाइबिलिटी, एसेट, इनकम, एक्सपेंस, इनकम रिसीवेबल जैसा। एसेट या लाइबिलिटी, पहले ये बताओ।
लाइबिलिटी,
लाइबिलिटी शोज विच बैलेंस?
क्रेडिट बैलेंस,
तो एक्सपेंस पेएबल क्रेडिट एंड एक्सपेंस विल बी डेबिटेड,
डेबिट।
ऐसा बोलना है। इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस।
इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस इज लाइबिलिटी। और इनकम क्रेडिट, मतलब लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिट बैलेंस होगा इसका।
तो टू इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस एंड इनकम अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड, इनकम टू इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस, सिंपल।
इनकम टू इनकम रिसीवेबल,
अरे,
इनकम क्रेडिट,
इनकम टू इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस माय डियर। इनकम रिसीवेबल होता तो क्या होता एंट्री?
इनकम डेबिट टू
क्यों
इनकम
इनकम डेबिट?
रिसीवेबल,
आप लॉन्ग
तो
बोल रहे
इनकम
हो भाई।
क्रेडिट सॉरी।
इनकम रिसीवेबल इज एसेट और लाइबिलिटी, पहले इनकम रिसीवेबल को याद करो।
एसेट,
एसेट को कौन सा बैलेंस है?
डेबिट।
तो इनकम रिसीवेबल डेबिट, तो टू इनकम ये एंट्री होगा। आप पहले रिसीवेबल को याद करो, फिर इनकम के बारे में सोचो।
इनकम रिसीवेबल टू इनकम फॉर
एक्सपेंस
इनकम,
पेएबल,
एक्सपेंस पेबल, एक्सपेंस, एक्सपेंस डेबिट,
सेम मिस्टेक यार,
एक्सपेंस
सेम
पेबल,
मिस्टेक।
एक्सपेंस पेबल टू एक्सपेंस।
एक्सपेंस पेएबल इज अ लाइबिलिटी और एसेट?
लाइबिलिटी,
लाइबिलिटी को कौन सा बैलेंस है?
क्रेडिट।
तो टू एक्सपेंस पेएबल और फिर एक्सपेंस को डेबिट दो। आप पहले एक्सपेंस इनकम को डेबिट क्रेडिट कर रहे हो, आपको आपका गलती समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
यस सर,
आप
अगर
किसको
पेबल है
डेबिट
तो
क्रेडिट दे रहे हो? पहले एक्सपेंस इनकम को डेबिट क्रेडिट नहीं देना है। पहले एक्सपेंस पेएबल, इनकम रिसीवेबल, इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस और इनकम रिसीवेबल को डेबिट क्रेडिट देना है, और फिर अलग
ओके
अकाउंट होगा वो एक्सपेंस या इनकम।
ओके।
वापस एक बार, इनकम रिसीवेबल,
इनकम रिसीवेबल, रिसीवेबल, रिसीवेबल मतलब अच्छा सर, इनकम रिसीवेबल में डेबिट बैलेंस आएगा ना।
एसेट है, पहले बोलो ना भैया, बोलो एसेट
इनकम
है।
रिसीव, इनकम रिसीवेबल इज एसेट, इनकम रिसीवेबल डेबिट टू इनकम।
हाँ, ऐसा बोलो पहले, एसेट है डेबिट है तो इजी जाएगा। मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वे, आप सुनना ही नहीं चाहते हो।
ओके सर,
इनकम
सॉरी।
रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस,
इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस इज लाइबिलिटी, इनकम डेबिट टू इनकम रिसीवेबल, इनकम रिसीवेबल का क्रेडिट बैलेंस।
इनकम रिसीवेबल, आंसर दिया इनकम
इनकम
रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस का, और बता रहे हो
इनकम
इनकम
रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस, सॉरी, इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस.
एक्सपेंस पेएबल.
Expense payable is a liability, तो expenses debit to expenses payable account.
हाँ, प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस.
Prepaid expense is sir एक second. Prepaid expense is a liability.
अच्छा, प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस इज लाइबिलिटी. आप लाइबिलिटी में बता देते 11th-12th में. प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस.
सॉरी सर, प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस इज एसेट, पहले ही पे कर दिया गया है. तो सर प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस डेबिट टू एक्सपेंसेस.
ठीक है भाई साहब. चलो ठीक है. आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद दिस जर्नल एंट्रीज नाउ.
Okay sir, I will revise it.
No, but I'm not happy with your performances. Today's performance is really bad. Other students, this is your first day, so make sure कि in next class you are able to recall rules also. Without rules, if you are passing any journal entry, it is of no use. And this is your first day, so it is going to happen. Don't worry.
Okay.
तो आपके साथ नहीं बेटा, तो भी आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया, बहुत अच्छे से. तो भी थोड़ा सा ये 20 एंट्रीज को याद करो. हैव यू रिटन ऑल दिस 20 एंट्रीज?
Yes sir.
हाँ, कितनी एंट्रीज है टोटल? 21.
21.
हाँ, तो लेक्चर को अच्छे से देखना वापस से एक बार, लास्ट का 30 मिनट्स. इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. सो स्टूडेंट्स, बट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास आई वांट एवरीवन विल पार्टिसिपेट. सब कुछ भी एंट्री पूछो, आगे से पीछे से, आप एंट्री सिर्फ हमें याद आनी चाहिए बहुत अच्छे से, एंड विथ रूल्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले वन क्विज. तो मुझे सिर्फ 1 मिनट दीजिए. हाँ, तो कौन देखा पास करते हो. टाइम लिमिट 20. આટલો ટાઈમ नको છે? 10 સેકન્ડ. हम्म 20. 10 सेकंड, 15. हाँ ठीक है, 20 लगा दे. 10 सेकंड. 10. 10. हाँ ठीक है, 20. गलत नहीं है ना एक भी? अरे किए थे क्या अभी? बेटा सबसे पहले you have to join this website fuiz.org/play. Everyone start करो, and game code is 76525. आंसर नहीं ना ओपन नीचे होगा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Priya ma'am, are you there?
No, sir.
लिमिट है? कर रहे सना, करना ज्वाइन. नाही नाही, तू फेल हो. तू रॅन्डम दे आन्सर काही. तुम्ही जिंकलं तर काय फायदा. चलो, let's start. Start. Who is the father of accounting? Your options are Charles, Luca di Pacioli, Pucca di Pacioli, Adam Smith. Correct answer, Luca di Pacioli. Yes, and one student still answered. Pucca di Pacioli also answered by some students. Wow, very good. Next. Pratik is the winner. Yes. What is the correct accounting equation? Asset plus capital is equal to liability. Asset is equal to capital is equal to liability. Liability plus asset is equal to capital, or asset is equal to capital plus liability. Only 38 students can answer it, and option is D. Asset is equal to capital plus liability. Oh, leaderboard change. Anshika. Anshika, already you answered in the last batch, no? Which of the following is a real account? ये तो आना ही चाहिए. Investment, fixed deposit, income receivable, salary. Okay. Correct answer, yes. Investment is a real account. Next. Next is rearrange the sequence. Rearrange the sequence. Financial statement, journal entry, ledger, trial balance. Sequence को rearrange कीजिए. And sequence is journal, then ledger, then trial balance, then financial statements. Very good. Next. What is the rule of nominal accounts? Correct answer is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Many students answer it correctly. Next. Accounting system we follow is called as two entry system, double booking system, double entry system, or credit debit system. Very fast. I already told you this system is called as double entry system. Still two students answer. 3, kitna? 11, 14, 15, 16. 16 students, wrong answer. Payal is on number 1. Next, income received in advance is a asset, income, liability, capital. Liability. Next, if Ram is a creditor, what type of account he has? Real, nominal, fictitious, personal. Ram account. It's a personal account. I already told you. Next, commission received is known as, very important. Commission received is shown on, right side of P&L, left side of P&L, right side of balance sheet, left side of balance sheet. This is right side of P&L. Income है ये. Oh, Niranjan. Purchase of goods is liability, expense, asset, income. टाइम बहुत ज्यादा दे दिया इधर. 10 मिनट से होना चाहिए. 10 seconds, sorry. Is expense is the correct answer. Yes. 13 students wrong. Asset. And Payal, Nitin and Greta. Greta? Okay. Chalo. Yes, congratulations, Payal. I hope you understood this mistakes, all of you. So we are at the end of the session. Thank you for having patience till last minute. Those who attended till 1:15. I know at foundation level it's very difficult to sit for more than 2 hours, and many of you want to become a chartered accountant. So now I will improve your patience day by day, and break is of only 5 minutes. You studied well. Now what I expect from you, you will do all these illustrations, examples, of entries. Okay. And I'm taking your questions in 5 minutes. So those students who want to ask me some questions can raise their hand. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to wind up the session because you have next session at 2 o'clock. Yes, raise your hand. Other students, remove your hand. If you do not have any question, you can. Yes, Salman ji. Yes, Salman. Vishwas.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Vishwas.
Sir, your teaching was very good.
Thank you.
Sir, I am attempted. I have written already January 2026 exam. Sir, in there I am wrote. I left 30 marks. 70 I have attempted for accounts.
Problem is that you already watched my session before.
Yes, sir. I watched. Sir, by doing only BCom, attending the BCom classes itself, I am attending your sections. Some days I will attend live and I will attempt daily recorded one.
Okay. So first thing, what you have to do now, it's okay. January exam you are given and you are already studying your for May exam. If you are getting the good positive result, it's okay. If you are getting negative result, you are already prepared for worse things. So don't get panic. And now what you have to do, you don't have to focus only on this illustrations part. Okay. Every question you have to solve it using strategy technique. You solve it at home. I will give you some example techniques and I will be fast in this batch. So I will give you some homework also, and you keep your notebook 100% on means record your all entries, pass, complete your notebook, okay, and you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
it on daily basis. Do not take any break, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And every question you solve by means A category questions, all difficult questions, at least 2 to 3 times by using stopwatch technique.
Okay, sir.
Yes, will give
O-
you 100% result.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, beta Diksha.
यस सर। सर आई वांट आस्क कि देखिए अगर हम एंट्री को डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं तो व्हाई नॉट वी कैन, जैसे
अच्छा,
जो आपने
वेरी गुड।
बताया ना, जो आपने बताया ना कि वी कैन
जब बचपन में तू खड़ी हुई थी पहले स्लोली स्लोली, या पहले रेंगना सीखा और डायरेक्टली तू भागने लगी?
द प्रॉपर प्रोसेस।
प्रोसेस से गई ना?
यस
मुझे
सर।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप डायरेक्टली करो, पर डायरेक्ट करने के लिए एटलीस्ट एक 5 6 दिन तो दो मुझे।
यस सर।
एक प्रोसेस से गए तो लॉजिक डेवलप होगा। ऐसा था कि अब
सर।
बचपन में खड़ी हो गई और डायरेक्ट भागने लग गई,
नो
गिरी ना
सर।
50 बार।
यस सर।
मम्मी से पूछना एक बार कितनी बार गिरी हो करके। ओके, तो
सर
थोड़ा,
क्योंकि ना नॉर्मल एंट्री
नहीं
करते हैं ना।
नहीं बराबर है, पर मैं जो प्रोसेस से जा रहा हूं ना बेटा, वो आपके साथ लॉन्ग टर्म में रहेगा, शॉर्ट टर्म में नहीं रहेगा। मैं एंट्री में भी कर सकता हूँ डायरेक्टली, पर मैंने कुछ टिप्स इसलिए दिए हैं ताकि आप हमेशा वो थिंकिंग से आगे जाओगे।
यस सर।
यस, तो कोई हार्म नहीं है डायरेक्टली एंट्री करने में, पर एक प्रोसेस को समझ लो, ठीक है।
तो ये कंफ्यूज कर रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट को, बस थोड़ा ऐसा
तो
लग
कोई
रहा है।
अभी मतलब क्या डिस्काउंट अलाउड, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो आप? डिस्काउंट अलाउड इज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट, इट्स अ लॉस, इट्स अ डेबिट बैलेंस, ये कंफ्यूजन है।
सर वो
तो
नहीं,
को
जो अप्लाई रूल वाला कॉलम आपने बताया ना, मेरे को वहां पे कंफ्यूजन।
घर पे प्रैक्टिस तो करोगे या नहीं करोगे? अभी वापस
करेंगे।
मैं वही एग्जांपल पे आता हूँ, रेंगना शुरू किया, थोड़ी सी उठ गई थी, तो कंफ्यूज हो ही रहे, मतलब क्या हो रही थी, गिर रही है तो बार बार, तो गिरने दो ना, पर एक दिन तो उठेगी।
यस सर।
अभी फर्स्ट डे है, मैं क्या बेटा जादूगर हूँ?
नो सर।
मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ शक्ति है, दैवी शक्ति, कि मैंने ऐसा ये घुमाया कुछ मैजिक स्टिक और आपको मैंने पास करवा दिया? नहीं बेटा, मुझे भी टाइम लगा ना ये डेवलप करने को। मैं पहले दिन पे जब टीचिंग किया होगा, डू यू थिंक मेरा इतना पॉलिश टीचिंग होगा?
नो सर।
और टाइम लगा ना, मैं ओवर द टाइम 15 साल गए ना कोई चीज में बेस्ट होने के लिए।
यस सर।
तो रुको, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा, ओके।
यस सर।
सब लोगों को
यस।
एडवाइस है, आप नहीं, आप कंफ्यूज हो गए इसलिए गिव अप कर देने का, ऐसा चलता है क्या बेटा?
नो सर।
अभी देख, मैं तुझे एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ, मैं आपको एक सिर्फ एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ। मेरा एक दोस्त है जो नॉनवेज खाता है, और हम लोग दोनों जिम करते हैं। तो वो क्या करता है, वो सुबह ट्रेनिंग को जाता है, मैं दोपहर को जाता हूँ। तो वो हमारा जो पर्सनल ट्रेनर है ना, वो उसको बोलता रहता है, मोटिवेट करता रहता है कि भाई तू थोड़ा हेवी वजन उठा, पर वो नहीं उठाता हेवी वेट। क्यों नहीं उठाता? क्योंकि वो गिव अप कर देता है, वो बस 20 किलो लेगा, छोड़ देगा, ऐसा है। और मैं, वो जितना बोलता है ना, मैं उससे एक रेप ज्यादा मारने की कोशिश करता हूँ उसकी हेल्प लेके। तो हम दोनों ने जर्नी साथ में चालू किया, पर मैं अभी उससे डबल उठा रहा हूं और वो मेरे से हाफ भी नहीं उठा पा रहा है। वो क्यों हो रहा है? बिकॉज गिव अप कर रहा है बार बार। और मैंने उसको 10 बार बोला कि तू फोकस कर, वो सब, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ, उसके पास तो डायरेक्टली है, पर वो गिव अप ही कर देना है, तो वो है वहीं पे अभी तक। तो आपको वैसा करना है क्या बेटा?
नो सर।
नहीं, आप मेरे दोस्त जैसे हो जाओगे। आप थोड़ा सा कोशिश तो करो, ओके।
यस। थैंक यू
यस,
सर।
हाँ जी, यस हरिणी जी।
Sir, in the starting you said that while writing exam we use black pen. Can we use blue pen also?
No, no, no. It is because your paper nowadays, first they are getting scanned and then checked by the faculty. So your hard paper with are not with the faculty, means examiner. Okay, paper checker. So we are scanning it and therefore use black pen,
Okay, sir.
because this paper is not now, we are not giving directly hard copies to that faculty. We are scanning it and then we send that scan copy to the checker. So in scanning, black pen is always better. Okay. Next. Antara.
Sir, I had a personal doubt.
हाँ.
सर मैंने जनवरी में एग्जाम दिया था,
हम्म.
तो मतलब बहुत लोग कहते हैं ना कि मैं मतलब मई में फिर से एग्जाम नहीं दे सकती, तो क्या ऐसा होता है?
क्यों नहीं दे सकते?
मतलब बहुत लोग कहते हैं ना कि 1 साल वेट करना पड़ता है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सीए पेपर इसे तो निकाले हर 3 महीने में आपको देना पड़े करके। मतलब देना नहीं अपने को, पर दे सकते हो।
ओके।
हाँ.
तो मैंने मतलब डिसाइड किया कि मैं आपके लाइव लेक्चर करूंगी, बिकॉज मैंने पहले कहीं और से तैयारी की थी।
कोई बात नहीं, आप कीजिए अच्छे से, रेगुलर क्लासेस में आंसर दीजिए। सिर्फ आपका जो माइक का इको प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व कीजिए।
ओके सर।
वो मेरा ही आवाज मुझे आता है वापस, तो थोड़ा डिवाइस को ध्यान दीजिए।
ओके सर।
मोहम्मद.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have a doubt related to note.
Hmm.
I took a rough note of your class,
Hmm.
but could you please share the no PDF note of this?
PDF file I won't share it now because my handwriting was not good. You can watch it on YouTube one more time and last 30 minutes and you will get this notes from YouTube. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Yes. Next, Narayani.
सर मुझे एक डाउट था, मैंने अभी जैन का पेपर दिया है, तो मैं वही सेम मटेरियल यूज कर सकती हूँ ना मई के
हाँ
लिए?
हाँ.
ओके सर।
कमलेश्वरी, नहीं कमलेश भाई, सॉरी, मेरा स्क्रीन बहुत दूर है इसलिए कभी कभी नाम गलत हो जाते। हाँ जी, और अभी बूढ़ा भी हुआ हूं मैं। चलो, कमलेश भाई। अनामिका।
हेलो सर।
हाँ कमलेश।
सर मेरा एक डाउट था। आप पॉसिबल हो तो कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट आप हिंदी में दोबारा समझा सकते हैं? मीन्स कि पहले आप
आप एक
मैं
मेल
इंग्लिश
कर
में
दीजिए ना, आप बीओएस को एक मेल कीजिए, तो हम लोगों को वहां से मैं बताऊंगा ही ये हिंदी में, पर हमारे पास थोड़ा बहुत मेल भी रहने दीजिए तो फायदा होगा। जिनको जिनको हिंदी में चाहिए तो आप लोग मेल कीजिए। मेल आईडी बताओगे क्या सर?
मेरा
नहीं नहीं, आपका नहीं, मैं सर को बोल रहा हूँ।
अजीत.कुमार.
हाँ,
अजीत.कुमार.
एक सेकंड। अजीत
.कुमार
डॉट कुमार
@ICAI.in.
ICAI.in।
इन.
ये देखिए, अजित कुमार @ICAI, अजित डॉट है यहाँ पे,
यस
डॉट
यस.
कुमार @ICAI.in। तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हिंदी में चाहते हैं थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन, तो यू कैन मेल अस। यस। विजुअल भाई, क्या हुआ आपका? अरे विजुअल भाई, चलो। आकाश। यस आकाश, ठीक है। दुर्गा। यस आकाश, ठीक है। दुर्गा बोलिए तब तक।
सर ये इनकम रिसीव इन एडवांस और इनकम रिसीवेबल को पेपर में एक्रूड और अनएक्रूड लिख सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, यही लिखना। एक्रूड ये वेग वर्ड है, मतलब नॉट क्लियर वर्ड है। ओके।
यस
एक्रूड ये पेबल भी हो सकता है, रिसीवेबल भी हो सकता है, सो बेटर है रिसीवेबल पेबल लिखो। ओके।
यस सर।
हाँ।
सर
हाँ जी।
अजीत में AJEET. सॉरी.
AJEET। ओके।
यस.
यस, AJEET, ये करना टाइप, AJEET। हम्म। AJEET, हाँ सब लोग याद रखो। विजुअल, आपको क्या हुआ? आपने मुझे रिजल्ट नहीं बताया। आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है।
आवाज
अनामिका,
यस सर।
हो गया ना आपका डाउट?
नहीं सर, आपने सेम टाइम पे किसी और को भी अनम्यूट कर दिया था, सो मैं बोल नहीं पाई।
बोले।
सर एक्चुअली मेरे परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर मैं बहुत गिल्ट फील कर रही हूँ।
अरे ठीक है ना, पहला ही दिन है बेटा।
मैं वो काफी ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा गिल्ट फील कर रही हूँ,
नहीं,
तो
ओके,
मैं
नो
वही
प्रॉब्लम। होता है वो ये प्रेशर में तो बेटा अच्छे अच्छे बैट्समैन जीरो पे आउट हो जाते हैं। कितना भी आपको ये होता है, पर अपने को वो नहीं करना है, मेंटली स्ट्रांग रखना है। अभी देखो, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, संजू सैमसन का T20 फॉर्म, और ईशान किशन को पता था मुझे वर्ल्ड कप में एंट्री नहीं है करके, तो वो एकदम फ्री माइंड से खेला तो इतना मार दिया। संजू के ऊपर प्रेशर था तो जीरो पे ही आउट हो रहा है लगातार। तो आप वो अनामिका इज वेरी सिंपल। अभी ये ठीक है, ये तो होता रहेगा। डोंट गेट पैनिक, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और अच्छे से उभर के आओगे। ओके।
सो सर थोड़ा सा आप मतलब एक क्विक समरी बता देंगे कि नेक्स्ट क्लास में ये फंबल ना हो, सो मैं क्या
नेक्स्ट
करूँ?
क्लास में कुछ भी नहीं, रूल्स को जोर जोर से आईने के सामने देख के बोलिए। किसी और को रिवीजन दीजिए, कोई भी भाई होगा, फ्रेंड होगा, जो भी रहेंगे वो, या मम्मी को, वो जो एंट्रीज है वो एक बार बोलने को लगाइए, तो अपने आप कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा। इट विल टेक सम टाइम।
ओके
किसी
सर,
स्टूडेंट
मैं
पांचों उंगलियां थोड़ी सेम होते हैं, किसी को फास्ट समझ में आएगा, किसी को स्लो लर्नर होते हैं। आप एवरेज लर्नर हो, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा।
ओके।
यस, आप
थैंक यू।
स्लो नहीं हो, आप एवरेज हो, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ना, टेंशन मत लीजिए। ओके।
ओके, थैंक यू।
यस। आकाश, लास्ट क्वेश्चन। हाँ, दुर्गा, आपका हो गया बेटा? दुर्गा।
यस सर।
यस। और आकाश, आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, पूछना चाहते हो तो पूछ लो। चलो ठीक है, सो विल वाइंड अप। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, एंड आई होप वी विल अटेंड इट ऑन मंडे। मंडे को हम लोग और अच्छे से अटेंड करेंगे सेशन को। एंड टुमारो आई थिंक यू हैव क्लास, फ्रॉम फ्राइडे यू डोंट हैव क्लास फॉर 3 days। यस। चलो, निसर्ग हो गया।